What is up, Matt's Market? Thank you
What
for
is
having
happening,
me
my
on.
dude? What is up, man?
Not too much. I'm still trying to get the stream up over here on my end, but I'm happy to be on the mic. But yeah, I still don't. I'm trying to get the chat going. It didn't pop up for me. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Yep. It usually takes a few seconds, man, and everything pops up.
All right, cool. Sound a little.
So I just checked the audio, man. I can hear you out pretty good. So.
All right, I'm gonna do my part. Hit a like on the stream.
There you go. Don't forget to hit the like button, even though you're hosting tonight.
Oh yeah. What's up? We got Rick in the house. What's up, Rick? First one on the Clown Baby hosted episode. How you doing tonight, Rick?
We got Mr. Adam E.
Adam E, my dude, cooler gang gang.
Yeah, man. So, Clown Baby, man, I appreciate you coming on tonight, doing a little bit of hosting for us, man. If you could tell us about yourself, man. Like, how'd you get into trading? How long have you been trading for? You know, what you do for a living, stuff like that, man. If you want to open up with that.
Yeah, I've only been doing this for almost a year now. It was last December that I just started. It was actually on Cash App where I started just buying like a little bit of Apple, like a little bit of Tesla, and then I don't know, I just sort of got more into it from there, and I went from Cash App to the Robinhood. But yeah, I know everybody doesn't like Robinhood too much, but that's what I switched to. And I've just been sort of growing my portfolio from there for the past year. And it's my friend Roscoe, who might join in here tonight. He's been investing for a while, and he got me into it. He got me more into the crypto. Like, he's like, yo, you gotta download Coinbase, and they got like free crypto you can get on there. And one of the coins I got was actually GRT, the graph, and then I saw it had gone up like 2 or 3x like since I got it for free the night before. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna buy some of this. So the graph was actually the first crypto I bought, and then it went up, like I got like a 400% return on it or something. So I was just like, I don't know, it sort of just got me hooked into crypto.
Well, you already got a couple fans on the show tonight, Mr. Adam E. That dude is coming in hot, breaking the stream with 2 $5 back-to-back super chats, man.
Oh,
thank you very much, Mr. Adam E.
Wow, Adam, thank you. Appreciate that very much. Clown Baby gang gang to flipping Mars. I love it.
Thank you for making that little kid dance upon our screen, Mr. Adam E. We also got Mr. Keller C in the chat. We got Shape. How y'all doing tonight, man?
I apologize to you guys if I'm sort of missing like the we're gonna work out some of the technical stuff where I can like cue the sounds and stuff, but just first run on it tonight, so doing my best.
Giving him a shot, man. We're trying to expand a little bit, maybe do some stocks during the day, so Clown Baby offered to help out, so giving him a chance on the mic and giving him an hour. I'm gonna actually hop out the stream here in a few. Let him do some broadcasting tonight, and I will be sitting back, relaxing, watching the charts with him, man.
Sounds good to me. Yeah, I'd like to, like we were talking the other night, you brought it up on the chat. You were like, hey, I'm looking for some help. So I just jumped on that. I was like, I'd like to do that. I'd like to give it a shot. And yeah, sometime during the week, during the stock market hours, that'd be fun to do as well.
Oh, yeah, most definitely, man. And yep. I really appreciate you coming on and giving this a shot, man. I see we got Mr. Roundtable Trading. What's happening, man? We got
Keller C. We got Adam E. Roundtable. What's up, everybody?
I'm fully convinced you got Adam E. twerking wherever he's at right now.
Adam E. is my dude.
Yes, love hearing Adam E. on the mic, man. It's always a pleasure, dude. It really is. So. What's up, Turbo Fireman? So, what's your thoughts on crypto this weekend, Clown Baby?
Well, this morning I was just like, I woke up and I was like, oh, really, man? We're dropping again. And I went to my boxing class. I was there for, I don't know, an hour and a half or whatever it was, and I didn't check my phone the whole time. Then I pull up my phone afterwards. I was like, all right, now we're pumping again. Let's go. It's like a total 180. But yeah, I think we're hanging on to this 59K right here pretty good. It dipped under it for a second, but I actually have I got the 1 minute chart up over here on my computer, and yeah, I'm watching it. It's coming back over the 50 moving average, so hopefully that can start hooking back up and head our way towards 60K.
Yeah, kind of what I'm seeing on my end as of right now, like off the Bitcoin 1 minute chart. You see that 14 really starting to hook towards that 50, and we have the candlesticks actually trading off the 50. So to me, that's kind of indicating we might go on a little bit of run here shortly. Keep my fingers crossed. I am feeling good though about the overall, market itself, being that, I think that 55.8 level was probably pretty close to being the bottom, man. I don't know how you feel about it, but I'm feeling pretty bullish.
I think you're right. I think that was the bottom. I think you know me though, I'm overly bullish, but I think that I think that was the bottom, and we probably see 70K in the next 7 to 10 days. That would be my guess, but could also go the other way. I could be totally wrong, but that's my prediction for now.
Yeah, I'm hoping it really starts to rip toward the end of November. I think there was some talks about Plan B had possibly moved back their price prediction for till some point in December. I need to verify that though. Stoner put that in the Discord earlier, and I was pretty surprised. Well, not really surprised. I figured, if they were off a week or two, like, who cares? Like, we're all heading in the right direction, and
that's the same way I'm feeling too. It's like, well, what if he's right, but his timing's just wrong? It's like everyone won't be mad at him then.
Yeah, I mean, most definitely. If it's December 15th, I mean, I wouldn't care. I'll be happy either way. I just want it to get where it's going. Mr. Rick says AVAX is coming back now. It definitely is, man. Working its way back up. Where were we earlier?
We got Benny Rado. Says Clown Baby looks like Matt. You guys related?
No, you just got me on the camera tonight, Mr. Benny. That's what we got cooking tonight. But yeah, AVAX, dude. Clown Baby, did you get an AVAX?
I do not have any AVAX, no.
I got you.
Yeah, I've just been buying Bitcoin. I was buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin last week when it was dropping like 3 days in a row. I was just dollar cost averaging in, like buying like $5, $10, $20 at a time for like 3 days in a row.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. AVAX, however, today hit a high of 130. We saw that rejection. I was on the mic actually when that happened, and we talked about how AVAX, pretty much for the most part off the 5 minute chart, if you zoom back to where right before it took over $100, we always ride that 50 up and then come back to touch that 200, and then we go on another rip, ride the 50 up. We rode it from 108 all the way to 130 before we're coming back to touch it just briefly. Let's see, about 30 minutes ago. So we are getting a bounce. It is coming back. I think it's setting up to go a little bit higher. I think you'll start seeing 130, 140, possibly 150 maybe next week on AVAX if this trend continues. I think it's setting up for another little run, being that it's bouncing once again off that 200 moving average. And I think we start.
Nice. Yeah, that's honestly one I haven't really paid too much attention to AVAX. I've heard you guys talking about it a lot, but it's just not one I've been following too much. But that's awesome. Yeah, it's pumping like that. Yeah, mana. AVAX printing mana, getting closer to that buy level. So he's in on that AVAX. What's up, Crypto Prophet? What's up, brother? Can you believe this? Clown Baby gang. Thank you, Adamy.
That's funny, man. So, yeah, man. you know, I'm big on AVAX. We got One Shot GT in the group, man. He started throwing it around, and one night I was like, it was $55, and I'm like going up, and really similar to Solana. And what ended up happening was I noticed before that rip from 95, I started seeing these institutional backers that pump Solana to freaking almost $300. Now they're all jumping into AVAX right now. So that's probably what's leading the charge with AVAX right now, hitting these new all-time highs, and it's just not stopping. It's kind of doing what Solana did back when we called it $67. And you know, that's the great part of having this community together, is like one person doesn't know it all. You know, guys come in here all the time and drop great plays, and you know, us as a community will take credit for it all together, because you know, I didn't find AVAX kind of found me in the form of the community. And man, it's just been a great play so far. $55, we picked it up. Well, I did myself. I hope a bunch of y'all did too as well, because it's definitely printing some tendies for us right now.
Yeah, it helps so much having so many different people have their input, being able to, I don't know, weed out the bad plays and pick the good ones.
Oh yeah, most definitely, man. I see Jonathan K says Gala's mooning. Where's Gala at? Let me see.
Robert Dean. One shot. That's not two shot. That's one shot. One shot in the chat.
Yeah, so Gala is definitely doing some crazy stuff, man. It is up 56% off the day, according to CoinMarketCap. It's sitting at 43 cents. I mean, dude, this thing has been
little Doge candle.
Yeah, it's a nice little 1 minute candle coming in 2304, busting over that 23 level of resistance. So, man,
Ethereum's held up really good too. Sorry, go ahead.
No, that's fine. Yeah, I was watching Ethereum break over 44, and I was getting really bullish about it. Hopefully, we can get back above that level tonight. But dude, Gala, just a week ago, you could have bought Gala for 8 cents. That's crazy, man.
What's it at now?
It's at 43.
Oh man,
It pumped fucking 55% today. Making tendies, man. Printing those tendies.
There's a new free, you know, Coinbase does like the little quizzes.
Oh,
There's
I do them all.
on there.
I do them all, bro.
Yeah, me too. It's MLN is the new one, or Enzyme. I did that one earlier.
I'm that dude at the grocery store at the free sample checkout, you know. I'll definitely hit them all up. What's up, One Shot? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Robert Dean. Got a few people in the chat tonight. Great to see y'all. Dreamer says, you see that?
Dreaming I FOMO'd on Gala at 15 or 16 and listed on Coinbase.
If you ask me, that was a good FOMO. Usually I FOMO into stuff and it just dips right out, man.
I can't tell. Are you dreaming you did that, or did you actually do that though?
Oh, he says dreaming. I didn't catch that.
I'm dreaming I bought Bitcoin at $100.
Straight up. Straight up, man. Well, it's starting to pump a little bit tonight. We got AVAX, dude.
What's
so I got
up,
AVAX
Three's Company throwing them rockets.
I got AVAX pulled up on the left, 128.94. Could be busting some all-time highs here very shortly, man. Getting a lot of green volume stepping in. You got 2305 off of Doge right here. So that's starting to move. So starting to come around, man. It might be a good weekend after all, hopefully. So
yeah, I think one of these days soon, Doge is just gonna do one of those. It'll have one of those days where it's like, oh man, it went up 20-30% or something. It's coming.
Oh, it's coming, man. It's just taking its time, bro. Doge is still not moved yet from that major move off of Bitcoin, where it came from, 39,000 to where we're sitting at now. So we still got room, but Doge is definitely pumping right here. Starting to get some green candles moving in, along with AVAX. AVAX is about to smash some new all-time highs probably tonight on the stream. So Mr. Rick, I hope you didn't sell your AVAX, man. This thing is definitely starting to work its way toward that 150 range, which that's what we're hoping for tonight. Well, not tonight, this weekend into next week. So we'll see what happens.
Tonight would be even better.
Tonight would be even better. You are 100% correct. Three's Company says, I'm Jack tripping. I hear Clown Baby on the mic. That is the one, the only, the Litecoin Maxi. We got him on the live stream tonight, guys. I'm going to let him tune and host out the show. I'm going to sit back as a viewer. Clown Baby, you got the reins, my man. Have fun, my dude. If you need me, I'll be in the background. If you need me, just let me know. But I'm ready to watch the show and enjoy it, man. So have fun.
All right, appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
All right, it's me, guys. It's me, solo on the mic now. I appreciate Matt's Market for giving me this chance here. So, got CP Trading. It's throwing down some metaverse stocks. We got 5 of them, he says. All right. These are the 5 metaverse penny stocks to watch or buy in on the dip Monday. All right. Keep those on the watch list. Three's Company throwing them rockets, hyping me up. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, AVAX just bumped sheep lower on CoinMarketCap. Oh, it passed. All right, yeah, let's check that out. CoinMarketCap. The Google search, you start typing in CoinMarketCap and it suggests Shiba Inu. That's funny. All right, let's see. AVAX number 11, creeping up on Doge for the top 10. What's up, Psycho? It's Gucci. Yeah, so we got AVAX here. What's that? Let's see how close it is. Oh, it's pretty close. 28.14. And Doge is 30.31. So that could be, AVAX could be top 10 crypto market, or top 10 market cap, sorry, in the next few days. Yeah, don't forget to, if you're new here, or if you're not new, you just forgot, press that like button for us. Join the Discord. The Discord is free. Lots of different brains in there sharing their knowledge, helping out with crypto plays, stock plays. Yeah, this is my first time on the mic tonight, but see how it goes, and might give it a shot again on Monday, and follow some stocks. Might be a little bit easier too when there's a little bit more action, when everybody's making trades and stuff like that. Atomy, Clown Baby, what's your thoughts on crypto in general heading towards the future? Oh, well, that's a bit of a loaded question, Atomy, because you know I'm a bull, but it's I'm super bullish. I think Bitcoin could. I think this bull cycle, it could hit anywhere from 150 to 200,000. I could be wrong on that, but that's my prediction. I think that's going to happen sometime in January or February maybe, and then probably go into, they call crypto winter, bear market, whatever, for a while again, and then I think crypto's the future. So I think by like 2025, I think we're going to see insane prices on Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin. Like, I think this might sound wild, but I think Bitcoin is going to be $1 million by 2025 or 2026 for one coin. So yeah, I'm really bullish. I think Litecoin, like I'm known around here, named by Matt's Market himself, the Litecoin Maxi. So yeah, I think Litecoin's probably going to be, I think it could hit 500 to 1,000. I know it's a big price range, but I think that's like my target price for this bull cycle. And then I think it's going to be 5 to 10,000 by 2025, 2026. Just smashing a shot for Clown Baby tonight. That's what's up, Robert Dean. Yeah, I'll try to, you guys know me, I'm always typing dab o'clock into the chat, or it's dab time, so when I do take a break at some point, I'm sure I'll be doing a little dab, making myself, loosen up a little bit more. But yeah, I was hoping Mana would drop into that buy channel. Mana's one I wish I got in on. I just always feel like I'm late on it. Let's see, Clown Baby, what are your excuse me. Let's see, Clown Baby, what are your plays you like other than Maxi Coin, bro? Well, I like Bitcoin. I like Bitcoin and Doge. Like, I try not to spread myself too thin. Like, I like the Graph coin. I feel like that's undervalued still. That one back in February pumped up to like 287. But I'm sort of biased towards that one because it was the first crypto that I made like real big gains on. And another one I think is a good buy right now. Not financial advice, but if I were to buy into one, I think Ethereum Classic is another one that's just undervalued right now. For it's due to pump at some point, in my opinion, but could be totally wrong about that. BTC heading to 100K next year. Be ready. And also, one shot, back to your question. Like, there's other plays that I like. Like I said, I just try not to spread myself too thin. Like, I have some other plays. Like my friend Roscoe, who's been in here in the chat sometimes, he's super smart. He knows some good plays in crypto. He was in Solana when it was like $28 or something. And he Polkadot, it's another good one. Ada's good. Yeah, there's a lot of good ones. I just don't have enough money for them all. Oh yeah, you're right, Clown Baby. With mass mainstream adoption and going at the rate it is, crypto as a whole is going to make some rich people. Just gotta remain responsible with those investments. Yep, for sure. Yeah, and like I'm in on a lot of crypto mining stocks. That's sort of my play that I'm doing right now. Like, I'm in on Bitfarms, HUD 8 mining. I'm in Bit Digital as well. That's more of like a squeeze play. Like, I won't get into that too much, but it is more of a squeeze play. Like, if you look at the cost to borrow rate on that one, it's insane. So I figure it's gonna have to squeeze at some point. And it's also a crypto play with Bitcoin going up, so. But there's other mining, there's a whole bunch of mining stocks I like that I don't have enough to get into all of them. Like, a new one I like, it's not new, but one that I want to get into is Clean Spark, CLSK. That one looks good to me. I saw an analyst with a price target of $50 on it. It's only 18 right now. Mara and Riot, those are obviously good ones. I have a whole list of them on my phone somewhere where I wrote them down. But yeah, Bitfarms, besides AMC, Bitfarms is actually my second biggest stock holding. But any of you guys into I know we're doing crypto right now, but any of you guys holding AMC in the chat? Type AMC or do like a popcorn emoji or some gorilla emojis or something for me if you're holding AMC. Matt's on here doing his thing all the time, grinding, trying to grow the channel, and he put out a message the other night when he was on just saying he's looking for other people. So I was like, yeah, I'll give it a shot. I'll jump on the mic, see how it goes. And yeah, I definitely like to do it during some stock market hours too, because obviously I'm into stocks as well. Gala, $1. Would you get in on that? What price did you get in on that, Jay Rogers? What's up, Andre P? You see those UFC fights earlier? Some good stuff. Some good scraps on there. I got the 00 movie playing, so I can't really listen, but congrats. Thank you, Andre. I appreciate that. GenMat with the triple popcorns. That's what's up. AMC $11 average from the shape. What's up, Gen Matt? What's up, The Shape? Fleming with the AMC and the gorilla emojis. That's what I like to see. Yeah, I'm hoping for, what did we closed over 40. I'm hoping for a big week for AMC. I don't want to see any more of this. Oh, we're back under 40 and we're going back up to 40. Like, let's just rip the band-aid off. Let's just do this thing already. Just kicking the can down the road, it feels like. Yeah, what did we finish at here? 4109. So that had to, I haven't looked at the numbers, but there must have been a ton of calls that finished in the money if it finished over 40. I'm just assuming. So that could be good. That could be good for next week. We got Bitcoin hanging on here by a thread at 59 again, but we got the 14 moving average creeping up. It is hooking down a little bit now, but it's creeping up on the 200 moving average on the 1 minute chart. That's a little trick that or not a trick, but just a little bit of TA knowledge that Matt's Market dropped on me one night, because I used to just use the 50-day moving average and the 200-day, and yeah, one night Matt's Market said to use the 14-day moving average as well, because it helps you with the more short-term movement of the chart. So a little tip there. So I use, when I'm looking at charts, I use the 50-day, the 200-day, and the 14-day moving averages. Bring the MOAS. That's what I'm saying. Nice to hear you, Clown Baby. Nice to see you in here, Gen Matt. Appreciate you coming by. It's fun being on the other side for once. It's a little bit different, but it's fun. It's fun giving it a try. Matt's Market with them popcorn emojis. That's what's up. All right, and we got the Litecoin Maxi on the mic, so let's see what Litecoin's doing. It's hanging out at 222. You got Doge at exactly 23 cents. Just frozen, I guess. It's a 23-cent stable coin now. Oh, we got AVAX hitting new all-time highs. What's AVAX at here? Wow, that thing's ripping, huh? 131. Who's in AVAX in here? Bring the MOAS. I think ETH is your best play coming up this year. Hey, Clown Baby, look at ETH BTC chart on TradingView. Matt's Market is family YouTube channel. Everyone is welcome to smash that like button, subscribe. Yeah, thank you, Robertine. Yep. Make sure if you're in here and you're having fun hanging out, liking the chat, liking the video, make sure you hit that like button for us. I think. Oh, okay, I already read that one. Yeah, I know what you're saying. One shot, I think I get what you're saying. Like, I could probably get better returns on ETH. I'm guessing that's what you're saying right now. But I'm on like a quest to get one full Bitcoin, so I'm just buying it on dips and yeah, just dollar cost averaging in. And I'll probably sell it at some point still during this bull cycle and try to get it back on the dip. But yeah, I don't know. I get what you're saying though, because Ethereum has had better returns for the past year or more even. BTHO pumping. BTHO. Let's see that. Oh, Rick's got AVAX. What'd you get in on that at, Rick? Sorry. Okay, look this one up. VTHO. What, for the chat here, I got a question for you guys. Which app do you guys prefer for your crypto trading? Do you have one that you do most of it on? Do you do it across 4 different apps, or what's your preference, or I don't know, try to narrow down. What's your favorite app for trading crypto on? I'll just ask that. All right, I'm gonna look this up. VTHO. Sorry, I'm taking so long to do this. VTHOR token. %11 on the, or 11.5% on the day. It's the all-time high on this thing. Oh wow, it's way down from all-time high still. That's cool. I've never seen that one before. VTHOR token. Noah B, what's going on? Good to have you in here. Psycho uses, oh, Rick got in AVAX at 71. Very nice. You're almost, what is that at now? Almost doubled up already. I use crypto.com. Psycho says. Keller C uses Robinhood. Robinhood wallets are coming really soon. What number are you on the wallet list, Keller C? Coinbase Pro. I like Coinbase Pro too. I prefer Coinbase for crypto, and I like Webull for stocks. Yep. I just got the free crypto from Coinbase, but I don't have enough money overall to validate paying gas fees. Next market made my way over here. Just go. Oh, nice, Gen Matt. Nice, I get VTHOR free just for holding vet. That's what's up, Benny. I got some money in Doge and Webull too, but I hate Webull for crypto. Yeah, I've never bought Webull, or yeah, I never bought crypto on Webull, but whenever I go to the comment section on some of the crypto on there, it's whenever somebody tries to buy, they're always like, my limit order didn't fill. So it just seems like it's not the best for trading. They could upgrade it or something at some point. Yeah, Noah doesn't like it for crypto either. 43.73. All right, well, I'm gonna do a little bit of a brag here. I'm like I think I'm like number 1200 or something. I was in the top 1,000 at one point, but people get bumped up the list when they recommend people. Yeah, what am I at? I'm at 1,211. So I'm a little excited about that. I should be like on the opening day. I should be at least, I'm assuming, get access to that crypto wallet. What did I just saw? Someone else just said, I'm gonna go back. Someone else said another one was pumping. Oh, Rose is pumping. All right, so market's heating up. We got stuff pumping now. That's what's up. It was scary a couple days ago, but now things are turning around. I've been 750K in the list for months. Oh man, that's rough, Benny. H-bar will have its run, just a matter of time. H-bar. Okay, yeah, I've been hearing more about H-bar. What platforms do you use trading Clown Baby? I used, people probably not going to like this, but my main portfolio is Robinhood. It's just the one I started with like almost a year ago, and I just add money to it every week, sometimes every day. I just add a few bucks to it, but I've just been building that one up. I might switch it to something else at some point, but I don't know. I've just kept it there for now. And yeah, I have Litecoin on my Coinbase as well, but I have Litecoin and Bitcoin and that stuff on my Robinhood too. But yeah, I have like a small, really small portfolio on Webull. I have a little bit bigger portfolio on my Coinbase, but like my main portfolio is my Robinhood. But that could switch at some point. Which one did I read last? It's lame that Webull cancels your orders at 5:30 every day. Then you have to. Oh, I didn't even know that. That is lame. Also, they make you buy and sell all at once. Can't have multiple orders on Webull. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. Clown Baby Live. Let's go, everyone. Smash that like. Thank you, Robert Dean. The Rockets. Anyone hop on that 0.21 Doge dip the other day? I did not, but that is a good price to get in on Doge. That's in my opinion. If it's gonna go to $1, which I think it will someday, in my opinion, you're gonna almost 5x your money at 0.21. So I have Robin 2, Gen that I bought some. Yeah, see, yeah, don't always. That's a good buy, Noah. You don't always get the exact bottom, but you got it in there. Yeah, you don't always get the exact bottom, and you don't always get the exact top when you sell. But as long as you're in that window, you're good. Rick uses Robinhood as well. Nice, very nice. Yeah, I know people don't like Robinhood, and I don't like what they did either. I know it's something that a lot of people don't like, but to be honest, I like the layout of the app. It's just as simple as it gets. I think it's easy to use, and I've gotten a lot better at reading charts, but when I first started, it was like when you first start investing and you open Webull, it's like, I don't know, it's tough. But now that after I've been doing it for a year, it's like Webull's not that confusing. But when you first open it, you're like, what are these charts? But then after you do it for a while, you realize like, oh, these Robinhood charts are bad. Can't use these for anything, any sort of TA. I bought some Litecoin on the other day at 200. My man, Noah, that's what I'm talking about. I DCA down on the Doge dip. That's right. Turbo. DCA for the win. I use KuCoin for shit coins. That's funny. Yeah. Funny that shit coins is a thing. I was actually talking to my dad the other day and telling him how there's a thing called shit coins, and he started laughing about it. I was like, yeah, they're the meme stocks of crypto. Everyone here needs to start to get an exit ready on the coins they're playing or get wrecked. I agree, Get Shot. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. You get like, everyone has to have their own strategy. Something I'm gonna try to do from me is I'm gonna take like percentages. Like I might like at each markup, like, oh, when Bitcoin hits 70K, like I'll cut 10% or something, or 15%, and then wait for a pullback and then buy in. But yeah, I agree. That's what I'm gonna start doing, personally. Nice turbo. What price did you get into for which one were we talking about? I forgot. DCA into the. Oh, okay. Robinhood incredibly friendly, user friendly, but eventually want to make my way over to Webull. Yeah, I like them both, but personally, I just like to have. It's easier to make gains when you have all your money in one spot. Otherwise, you're just spreading it all out in different spots, and it's like, all right, I made $5 on this and 2 on that. So it doesn't matter. I'd rather just build up my portfolio with a few strong positions. That's my strategy, at least. One shot. What are you thinking? I need Sol to hit 190 again to buy another 5 coins. What did Rick say? Oh, the shit coins. Pearl, you think it dips that low? Needs one shot. Yeah, one shot, dropping that knowledge. He doesn't take 2 shots to drop that knowledge, just 1 shot. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, we got a nice little green candle here on Doge. What chart do I have here on my screen? This is Bitcoin still. Bitcoin still fighting for 59. Ethereum been strong today. It's still hanging out a little bit under 4,400. see what Sheeb's doing. Sheeb is at 4619. Litecoin a little under 223. Let's see. I don't have everything up, like able to pull up on my screen yet still, so I'm still, we'll figure this out as we go. It's just my first night on here, but yeah, so we got AVAX still at 131. That one's pumping. ADA 188. I feel like in a eventually people are gonna be like, man, I can't believe ADA was 188 and I didn't jump on that. I'm probably gonna be saying that too because I don't even have any, but it just seems like it's super undervalued. Are you in Sheep Clown Baby? No, I'm not. I had a little bit at one point, and then when it was going parabolic last month or whenever that was, I sold it and I converted it to Litecoin. But I actually sold it too early too. Like I probably could have doubled my money one more time, but it wasn't that much anyways. I only put like $100 into it, and it was late. If I had put $100 into it 6 months ago, I would have been happy. But yeah, no, I don't. I have Dogecoin and but no Sheep at the moment. But I don't really have anything against Sheep. It's just yeah, can't have everything. And it already, I don't know. I feel like, I don't know. I'm not sure where Sheep's going this bull cycle. It's hard to tell with that one. It's its own beast. I don't know if it's gonna run up again or if it's gonna wait till next cycle. It's hard to tell with that one. STMX, yes please, that's market. STMX, I can look at that for you. I just don't have the ability to pull the chart right now. What price are you in STMX at, RK? Sorry, I'm just pulling this up on my end here so I can look at it. What is it again? I already forgot it. Memory's terrible. STMX. It's happening. It's not, but I wish it was. I like that redeem. Storm X up 5.6% in the last 24 hours. See what the all-time high. Wow, okay, that thing's way down from its all-time high, so it has a long way to go if it pumps again. Could be some big returns on that one, possibly. 0.03 10x long. Oh, okay, you're rolling the dice. Well, I wish you luck in that one. It looks like it could be a big winner if it runs up again to its all-time high or past it. So, wish you luck. Yes, Matt, I do. I could be totally Matt M. You believe in the cycle theory. I do. From I've only been in this a year, but I've tried to do my best at learning. And from what I've seen and what I've learned about Bitcoin, I think that the cycles are a thing that could change. Doesn't mean it's always going to be that way. It could change this year, but yeah, I still think that this bull cycle is going to go into December, or I think it's going to go past December into January, maybe February, and then it could be a while again until we pump again. But history doesn't always repeat itself. It could be totally different with the mass adoption of crypto and Bitcoin and Litecoin with Visa now. Like things are changing. So Oh, RK, you're new here? Okay. Yes, if you're liking hanging out here, hit that subscribe for us, and join the Discord. We got a whole bunch of smart people in the Discord. We share stock plays, we share crypto plays. It's all free, completely free. It's just just a community trying to help each other out, make some money. The shape, all I care about is a few cycles down the road. Yeah. I wish I could go back in time. Like a lot of people. 31 likes for Clumpy. All right, we're getting up there. RK, welcome to the channel. Okay, I already read that one. Yeah, RK, welcome. What other crypto plays are you in besides the STMX? You holding any Doge, Bitcoin, Ethereum? I appreciate that, KC. I don't know how to say your name. KC9K? KC9K? Am I saying that right? Let's call you KC. Keep it simple. But I appreciate that. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is not doing so great. We're dipping above or dipping below 59 again. All right, let's zoom out here. Let's check out Bitcoin on the. Yeah, but okay. So when I'm looking at the 1 minute chart on Bitcoin, it doesn't look so great right now. But if I click on the 30-minute chart, I can't show you guys this, but on my end, I'm looking at the 30-minute chart, and the 50-day moving average is about to cross up above the 200-day moving average, which is a golden cross, which isn't as significant on short-term charts, but it's a bullish sign, nevertheless. But yeah, it's like a golden cross or a death cross. Like those are much more significant on like a daily or weekly chart. But yeah, if I look at the daily chart here, yeah, we still look good. That 50-day moving average is way above. The 14-day hooked down a little bit, but I don't know. I think we're gonna hang out above this 58 level. I don't think it'll drop below there again. I could be wrong though. Oh, thank you, KC and Robert Dean. Appreciate that. Okay, here's your list. All right, let's read them off. You got Alice. I've never heard of that one. Gala, ETH, Bitcoin, Solana, ADA, Litecoin, Matic, Bet, Mana, Sand, Engine. I've heard of all of those except for the first one and the last one. But yeah, that's got a good portfolio right there. I like it. Yeah, a friend of mine he's always got some good crypto plays. He was saying Sand is a real good one. Arcade looks like my and Matt's Market's got that same one. You guys copying off each other's tests. What else do we got here? Doge. What's Doge doing? It looks worse than it is on that 1 minute chart. It's just hanging out barely under 23. Litecoin at 222. Everything's just sort of, it's not really moving much since they've been on here, but it's all right. It's the way it is sometimes. Playing Sheep, Doge, and Crow. The Crow been doing really well for me. Got in at 30 cents. Been holding on. Maybe it'll hit $1 by the end of the year. What's that one at right now? Is that one on the stream? Alright, I'll look that one up. See what Crow's at. That is where it's at. That is where it's at to this year. I have another friend of mine who has a whole bunch of VET. VET is one of those ones that you get like interest or something on it, right? I don't know. Might be wrong about that. What was I looking up? I was just gonna look one up. I forgot now. Oh yeah, Crow. What's up? 39% on the week. 200% on the month. Thing's killing it. Yeah, I've been hearing a lot about this one. It's just not one that another one that I'm not in. I've been paying a lot of attention to the mining stocks, the crypto mining stocks. So that's what I've been doing a lot of. I've been trading bit farms, Hut 8 mining, mostly those two, but some other ones as well. But yeah, I'm super bullish on bit farms and Hut. Crow is awesome. KC. Doge's been a dirty little dog lately. Yeah. Doge has been rough, but like Matt was saying a couple nights ago, like Doge will it'll just take off one day, and everyone who's not in it will be like, oh man, I wish I was in it. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, okay. Yeah, sometimes I think about stuff like that too, then I'm like, oh man, I shouldn't have switched that, because now this one's going up. Mara on Monday will fly. Okay. Yeah, it got crushed by that bad news, but it was flying before that, so wouldn't be surprised to see Mara bounce back. Mara's a great play. Mara, Riot, those are other good ones too. But yeah, I got into some of the cheaper crypto plays. I like bit farms a lot for the future. They've been doing a lot of growth, but I'm not just gonna shill bit farms on the mic to you guys. You got options, Clown Baby? Yeah, I have some calls on bit farms and Hut for December 17th. I have $15 strike on Hut, and I have $10 and $750 strike for bit farms on December 17th. So yeah, see how those turn out. Last week wasn't so fun. I got destroyed for most of the week, but I'm still barely green on the bit farms ones, and I think I'm down 20% on my calls for Hut. But at least I still have like a month left, so. Yeah, Matt M, I know I've seen you in on those Mara. I've seen you talking about those Mara calls. You were killing it with those, so that's what's up. Yeah, exactly, Robert Dean. Doge it'll do what it did before, and everyone will be FOMO, Doge mania. It's coming. That rocket's going to the moon, and yeah, I feel like that'll be the catalyst that could send it to $1. I might be wrong about that, but we'll see. No, would be if you have money in your safe play is E. Drips up. All your low cash and all coins will follow. Yeah, it's a good point. One shot, nice man. I do have a good bit of Ethereum, but I might get more liquid in some other places if I access some more Ethereum. Maybe do you have some Ethereum? I did have Ethereum on my Robinhood. I had a whole Ethereum at one point, and I sold it and I put it into crypto mining stocks. Yeah, I put it into Hut and bit farms. That was, I don't know, a month or two ago. I don't remember the exact timeline, but I had bought. I didn't get in on ETH super cheap. I had bought it on a dip, like back when a couple months ago it dipped down to like 2,700, and I sold it at 3,900. So I made good gains on it. Yeah, Yeah, if Elon just, when he goes on those tweet rampages just talking about Doge, like, come on, man, just help us out. Just pump it for us. You know you can. I feel like he's lost some of his power, because like it used to be like he would tweet and it would just pump like 20% that day no matter what. But I feel like if he starts like, I don't know, really putting stuff out like he did back in the spring, it could go on a run again. Plus, like I said, we have that Doge rocket going to the moon. Did my first option put on Sundial last week. Made nice, yeah, nice play. Yeah, Sundial had ran up like 30%. That's a good play. Smash that. I haven't done any puts yet. Let's smash that like button for our put. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, if you guys are in here, you guys are having fun hanging out, watching, talking about some crypto, some stocks, just hit that, smash that like button for us, and yeah, join the Discord too if you having fun hanging out here. We got all sorts of good stuff going on in the Discord. Oh man, Bitcoin, I look away for a minute and you're dipping even more. It's at 58.6 now, and I'm on the 5-minute chart in the 14-day and the 50-day moving average are hooking down, so could be dipping a little bit more here for now, but I don't know. I think if it dips, I don't think it's gonna dip too much further. I could be totally wrong, but I have a feeling like tomorrow and Monday it's gonna be good days. Mara open on Monday weekly. Glorious by Friday. I hope so. Hoping all those. I think you're right though. I mean, it got oversold last week. That was ridiculous. Looking into big market cap crypto coins like AVAX or DOT system and buy into them coins that run under them big coins in their ecosystem. Yeah, it's smart. Clown Baby live, smash that like button, subscribe, hit notification stick. Appreciate that, Robert Dean. You're the man. Throwing them rockets. 10 polka dot coins. Nice. When did you get in that polka dot? Let's go cryptocurrencies. Let's go. Pick it up. Come on. What you guys doing out there? Yeah, it's just been sort of a little bit sideways, a little bit down since I've been on the mic, but at least it's higher than it was a couple days ago. It was getting the market was getting a little bit bloody. The Shiba Army General. We got the Shiba Army General himself in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing tonight? The General orders you to go up. All right. Better listen, Shiba. The General's talking to you. October 1st, I bought 10 $60 calls for December 1st. It was up 1,800% when I closed. Wow. Killing it, dude. Killing it. Hopefully my Bit Farms and Hut calls can go to the moon like that for me in December. Go Cocos. Is that in crypto? Go to the General and save some time. I was hoping BTC was going to hit 60K. Oh, dude, me too. Come on. Can we just get can some big whale just step in and we get this thing really pumping? Come on. Or even better, I know they sort of run together, but can we just get a big whale to step in and buy some Litecoin, get this thing pumping? Let's get Litecoin back over 250. The Litecoin Maxi's on the mic. Let's type this in here. Do my, not redeem, whatever it's called. Yes, up 200% Cocos. Cocos, alright, never heard of that one. Let's check this one out. Cocos. What exchange are you trading that on? Wow. 220% today. Oh man. If I could ever get lucky enough to get in on something like that. Like, oh yeah, I bought that this morning. It's up 200% now. That's awesome, dude. I hope you got in. Oh yeah, you said you're already up 200%. That's awesome. Congrats, dude. Or girl, sorry. I don't know by your name. Fleming Fremvig. Where are you from, Fleming? Binance Europa. What country are you from? Yeah, where do you buy Coco? Yeah, I wouldn't know where to buy that one. I'm guessing like KuCoin or something maybe. Oh, my dude Roscoe in the house. I know Roscoe in real life. That's my dude Roscoe. We've been friends since forever. We went to school together, and Roscoe is actually the one who got me into crypto and stocks. So he's partially the reason I'm on the mic right now. It wasn't leading me on this path. So thank you Roscoe. The $4.99 super chat. Sorry if I skipped over some chats. What's your game plan with Litecoin? That's a good question, because I have been trying to come up with that myself. Because a lot of the time when you look at the chart with Litecoin, that thing pumps, but it never holds its level. Like it doesn't Litecoin's 400 now. Like it doesn't hold a level like Bitcoin does. Hopefully that'll change in the future. But I think if Bitcoin, like I have an average cost of 136. I think if it goes to 400, I'll probably sell half. So I'll have already made more than half my money. And the all-time high on it is over 400. So, yeah, I might sell. I don't even ever want to sell them, but I know they're going to go back down eventually. So I'll just be able to buy the dip. But yeah, that's going to be my game plan, I think, because I'm going to sell half at $400 or around that. It could be $3.99, so something like that. But do you have that was Gen Matt who asked that, right? Yeah, Gen Matt, do you have any Litecoin? I know you have Dogecoin because I've seen you in Bulldog's chat, and we're both hyping up Doge when it starts pumping. So okay, Fleming is in Denmark. That's awesome. That's awesome, dude. What time is it over there? It's good to have you in the chat. Welcome. And if you're liking hanging out here, if you could hit that like and subscribe, we'd appreciate that very much. It's my first time on the mic tonight. Usually it's Matt's Market himself on here, but he gave me the reins and gave me a test run tonight. What other plays are you in, Fleming, besides that one that you're killing it with 200%? Clown Baby, you know anything about Trias Crypto? I do not. I've never heard of that. Power moves in Matt's Market. That's right, Roscoe. My dude, Roscoe. Robert King, Roscoe Steven, smashing the stream. 5 in the morning. Oh, okay. Did you just wake up, or you just you still up? But yeah, what other plays are you in, Fleming? You got any Bitcoin? You have Ethereum, Dogecoin, other stuff you in? I lose more than I gain, but when your good calls produce 1,200%, it makes yeah. It's a risky game, but if you got good timing, it's can make you a lot of money. Like it seems like you're doing it a lot on Mara, which is, I think that's a smart way to do it. Like just do it on something that you watch, so you know it's movement. Like my friend Roscoe, who's in here right now, he does calls on Apple a lot. Like when Apple will dip, he'll make he'll do a call option on Apple, and it's like, boom, Apple always bounces back. It's Apple, so he kills it with those. I was day trading Litecoin for a while, a few months back. No current holdings in it though. Oh, okay. I'm a little disappointed, Gen Matt, but it's all right. Let it go. Still, you know, Dogecoin gang. Gala, TLM, Lowbox, Mana. All right, nice. Matt M. Wow, that's crazy gains. Yeah, that's insane. Matt M. killing it. Mana getting close to that buy level. Do you already have Mana, Noah, or are you you've been just waiting to get in? Are you trying to average up or average down? What's your situation on that Mana? Doge, Sheep, XLM, ADA, Matic. Nice. What stocks are you in, Gen Matt? You have any are you in? I'm guessing you're in AMC too, but I could be totally wrong. Or put leaps on Hood as payoff. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. I use Robinhood, but it's still funny to me seeing how much it's sold off since that insane pump when it IPO'd. I'm bullish on TLM. Yeah, see, there's so many plays I don't even know about. It's just TLM. That's one I gotta look up too. It's just hard. It's, you know, unless you're a whale, you can't be in every play. Or unless you just put $5 into everything too. It just doesn't work that way. Doge, ETH, ADA, XCC. Okay, so you got some more plays. Nice. Apple greater than NASDAQ. Yeah. Apple's a beast. Yeah, keep an eye on it, Noah. Getting in. Oh, okay, you guys talking about Matic. Trying to get into. Mana. I mean, trying to get into Mana. I didn't get in the first time, and I don't want to miss it. Yeah, good call. It seemed like it's a really good play. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, I call you my friend. Let's call you Roscoe. They know you're my friend now. Roscoe saying RNDR, AVAX, Sand. Yeah, look at that AVAX. We were just talking about that before you in here, Roscoe. Hit new all-time highs tonight. And then yeah, those are some other good plays. You guys should check those out. Roscoe's a smart cat. Knows what he's talking about. Yeah. Oh, KC and Roscoe, you guys are new best friends. KC, Roscoe, his top holding is Nvidia. He crushed it on a Nvidia call option the other day too. Matt's market smashed out. Yeah, appreciate that, Three's Company. Gaming cryptos are super. I've been hearing more about gaming cryptos. I don't know anything about that stuff, but something I gotta look into. Sounds cool. I like gaming, so. Been looking at CHZ. Yeah, who was that? Was that One Shot? I forget who it was. Someone was dropping that CHZ in the chat though, and I had some of it for a little bit, but then I sold it. Oh yeah, CHCs. That's the one that like they have the test on Coinbase. I remember doing it. It said something about UFC. Yeah, that Chili's coin. It says something. I don't know. It's something to do with sports and UFC. I never read those tests. I should probably pay more attention. I just guess the answers till I get it, so I can get my $3. Cinnamon sounds good. Cinnabon? Yeah, Cinnabon coin, Roscoe. AMC, diamonds, and randomly went crazy into eyes. Okay. Yeah, I've seen that eyes ticker symbol. I've never really messed with it or anything though. But that's cool. Yeah, I got AMC's my top position still right now. Waiting for the squeeze. I would say enter before December. Oh yeah, for sure. Excuse me 1 sec. RK, so yeah. Gala is another one I'm looking at as well. Is that really have on the screen? I've been seeing a lot of you guys talk about that one, Gala. Is that a metaverse play? I don't know too much about that one. Or I don't know anything about that one, to be honest. Is Doge doing something? Yeah, it's trying. It's at least going up a little bit, trying to break over that 23. We got the 14-day moving average hooking back up, trying to cross above the 50-day moving average. And let's see. Oh, Litecoin's back over 223. Oh, some nice candles on Litecoin. I didn't even see that. Bitcoin still struggling a little bit. It's trying to get that same thing as Doge, that 14 days, trying to cross over the 50-day moving average. These are just the 1-minute charts I'm looking at, so that's just the current situation. Scared of Gala right now. The last time I caught this stick, I made 1,000%. It's all about algos, AEZs. When it hits 5 million in pre-market, it'll fly. Are you talking about Mara? Sorry, I just might have just lost what you were talking about. Are you still talking about Mara, or are you talking about crypto in general, the algos? Sorry, Matt, I'm just getting mixed up on what you're saying there. I just picked up a couple of Nvidia, just a quick flip for the extra $60. Nice. Get that money. Nvidia for 2 years, it's worth keeping with. Yeah, I know you're big on that Nvidia. And yeah, Roscoe's in those. He's in those crypto plays with me as well. He's in Bitfarms and HUD 8, and I know a lot of you guys are in HUD as well. I think it was OMG who brought that to the Discord. I'm not sure. That was before I was part of it, but I know you guys were in HUD as well, so that's what's up. Bought Gala very early, 0.8. Nice. Trias up 6.5%. Anyone know anything about Trias crypto? I do not, but I'll look at it. I mean, if it's going up, it's got to be doing. They got to be doing something, right? If it's a legit project, it's not like a meme coin or something. But it doesn't sound like it is with that name. Gonna hold till next bull market. Take a few profits on the ride. Yeah, I mean, if you got really good entry prices, it's a good move. I think I'm still gonna hold. I won't sell everything, but yeah, I'll be taking profits on the way up. Like a couple weeks ago, when everything was all crazy, like I in hindsight, I wish I had taken profits. So like Rick was saying, I think a couple days ago here in the chat, Rick Cogswell, he was saying like this just reminds us that we got to take profits of when things are looking great, because it won't stay that way. So yeah, I gotta be better at that myself, taking profits. I have not heard one channel talking about it. Me either, Robertine. You're the first person to bring it up. Are you in that? I forgot if you already said that you're in that, not, or if you're just watching it. NVID massive. Too rich for my blood, Roscoe. I have no clue exactly. Too early to leave. Holy tomatoes. Oh yeah, definitely too early. Man, if somebody sold all their crypto right now, they'll be really regretting that in a month or two, in my opinion. But I could be totally wrong about that as well. Hey, Bulldog, the man, the myth, the legend, Bulldog Trading. What's up, my dude? If I hadn't found Bulldog's channel, then I would have never found this channel. So thank you, Bulldog, for strangely leading me on this path to me being on the mic tonight. And yeah, you're the man, Bulldog. Bulldog's super smart guy, knows his stuff. He's a crypto OG, stock OG, Alaska boy. Good to see you, man. Nvidia, volatile as fuck, so options are expensive. Yeah, but they got future tech, so I think they're a good company to have long term. I think they're a great company to have long term, in my opinion. But yeah, they're definitely volatile, and they're at all-time highs, so could be due for a pullback. You never know, but sometimes stuff pumps higher. I bought before split. Yeah, I remember you buying that, and I remember when they did the split, I was like, I don't know. I've been wanting to get into Nvidia, but then it just feels like I just keep feeling like I'm gonna chase it, but it still keeps going higher. So I've been wrong. Yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate that, Bulldog. Yeah, it's a little bit different, but I think I'm doing all right. I'm doing my best. It'll be fun to do this again with stocks sometime too, because I like covering stocks too. But yeah, fun just hanging out here on the mic for a little bit on a Saturday. No, a guy mentioned it 3 months ago. It was $8. Now Trias $18. Oh man. Yeah, it sucks when you hear about something and you don't get in. That happens to everybody though. UOS and PBR coin. Okay. One shot, always bringing those hot plays. Gen Matt dropping the green hearts for Bulldog. NBA day and NV. I can't talk. Wow. NVDA to a trill. Yep. I think it's inevitable. It'll probably. It's not probably, but it'll go to a trillion someday market cap. I'm not short term. Bring the pullback. Yeah, I know your strategy. I know you better than the other people in here. So yeah, I know your strategy. You're a long-term holder. Your cryptos and your stocks. You got a good game plan, Roscoe. Yeah, follow Nancy Pelosi. Follow all of her plays. Yeah. Apparently she's killing it. Barron's had a story today about mining. Nice. What did if you don't mind sharing, Roscoe, what did they talk about any in particular? Or yeah, that's basically what I've been doing, a way to invest in Bitcoin without holding it. Yeah, I mean, especially if you're doing those options, you're killing it, madam. And Mara, it's been been running alongside Bitcoin, so it's been doing really good. I got one to see if you know about play to earn game coin. Not NGL, heard of it. I got one to see. No. I can't tell. I don't know if Bulldog's messing with me right now or if he's got a serious question. I don't know if that's like a joke or not. But no, I have not heard of that crypto. He said you will know Trias. Yeah, I'll have to look at that one. I don't know anything about it. Thank you, Roscoe. Yeah, BTC is daddy. Appreciate that, Roscoe, for the super chat. Yeah, I want to get my a whole coin. I'm on a quest to a whole coin, so just keep dollar cost averaging into that sucker. 88 will make people FOMO again. Let it breathe a bit. We caught that at 0.4. Oh, okay. So you have ADA at a 0.4 average. You're killing it. You got nothing to worry about. Throwing them rockets, Robert Dean, Gen Matt with the pineapples. Bulldog with the pineapples. I think there's a joke maybe I'm not sure. Oh, it's my neighbor. It's Mr. Postal in the chat. Lodi, the mailman for Lodi here. You got Mr. Postal. What's up, my dude? And yes, it is Clown Baby on the mic for the first time, giving it a go. Yeah, so they talked about Riot and Mara. Yeah, they're sleeping on Bit Farm still. Who is this freaking clown on the mic? That's great. My neighbor. Yeah, my neighbor goes postal. For real though, Gone Postal is in Lodi, and I am as well. And we're probably pretty close to a small town. We're gonna have an altcoin party on Lodi Lake someday. One shot, thank you, my dude. One shot, not two shots, not three shots. One shot. Super chat. There isn't many barometers and stocks, but Mara will run Monday morning it beats. Yeah, for sure. Those, if Bitcoin is up higher on Sunday or running Monday, those mining stocks will run. I'm into those big time, so I'm right with you. Oh man, one shot, killing it. The super chat. Thank you, my dude. I appreciate that, dude, very much. He's breaking. He is, man. He's breaking the stream. I lost where I was. I'm new. I don't know what to do. I'm a distant neighbor. Oh, okay. You're in the Bay Area. Can I come to the cookout? Yeah, we're having a cookout on Lodi Lake when altcoins start going crazy. It's an altcoin party. You're invited. One shot again. Thank you, my dude. Sorry if I'm a little bit behind. I don't see him. Just a little bit of a lag. Thank you. One shot. You're the man. Not gonna lie, really listed. Oh, I keep reading that as not gonna lie. NGL really listed today on CoinMarketCap. Gold Fever game token up 16% so far and only available on Gate.io and Webull. Who knows? Space is hot. Game sound interesting. I'll watch. That does sound cool. Yeah, I've been hearing more about these gaming cryptos, so I don't even really invest that. That's something to do with the metaverse. That's all stuff I need to learn more about, but that's cool. I'm into gaming, so gaming crypto sounds cool to me. One shot again, he's killing it. My dude, I can't even keep up. GP with the super chat, the FOMO super chat. Roscoe, thank you guys. The super duper chats. Mining stocks. Got the tip from Barron's. Bye. I hope so, yeah. I mean, they might still be too scared. Not buying this crazy internet coin. Jeep does a way better old man voice than me. I'm not even gonna try. That guy has mastered the old man voice. Okay, I am having super shit. I read that. Yeah, it's funny. Thank you, GP. Thank you, Roscoe, in one shot. Anyone here jumped on the GameStop? Yeah, I'm sure other people here in the chat have as well, but I'm in AMC. I don't have any GameStop, but I have AMC is my top holding in my stock portfolio. So I am an AMC ape. Super chat battle extravaganza. Boom! With the boom. Noah, thank you, my dude. Appreciate that, my dude. With the 1999 super duper chat. Bulldog with the Pika emojis. One shot with the Pikas. Bulldog, I don't know where you found that Pika song. I don't know if you made that yourself or where it came from, but that song is amazing. So, just thought I'd let you know that. That song gets me hyped just like everybody else does every time I hear it. RK, it is the reason I got... Yeah, I know GP's got AMC. I know he's got a whole bunch of Doge, so very nice. Yeah. Noah destroying the stream. W2S same. Oh, okay, so that's how you... RK, that's how you got in with the meme stocks? AMC and GameStop. Which one, do you have both, or... yeah, what's your situation with those? Matt M. Damn, the stream is on fire. It is! Crazy Saturday night. Pika hype gang gang. That's what I'm saying. That song gets me hyped. You in the chat. Everyone act normal. Yeah, Bulldog's acting normal. Roscoe Studio. Destruction of live streaming. Oh, whoops. I just almost closed out of the chat there for a second. Y'all like heal. Oh, wait, I missed some. AMC. What's up, OMG? OMG. It's OMG. AMC paid off my house thanks to Mets. Wow. That's amazing. Congrats on that. And I saw your dabs there in the Discord earlier. OMG. Those look like some fire. What strain was that? Y'all like helium HNT? Is that the one you're mining, Roscoe? I know you've been doing some mining. Is that helium? I forget. I think it was helium. GME got me interested. GME got me interested. AMC, my first stock. Then Bulldog happened. Now it's stocks. Awesome, Fleming. All the way from Denmark. Join in the chat. That's awesome. What app or app, I guess, or brokerage? Which brokerage do you use to trade stocks over there in Denmark? Half of my family did. Okay, cool. Sorry guys, trying to keep up on the stream crashing. Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, those are all great holdings. Apple was the first stock I ever bought about a year ago, or maybe it was roughly a year ago. But yeah, I just started buying some Apple stock on the Cash App. That's then I moved on from Cash App to Robinhood, and then started growing my portfolio there. Yeah, I've seen I thought that was helium that you've been mining. That's cool. And yeah, that's awesome. OMG that you did that. It's great to hear. 11 to 50. Yeah, that's awesome. Roscoe, I gotta get in on that too. OMG in the house with the rockets. OMG, it's OMG. Dropbox is a play if you like to gamble or finish the advice, but it's a support now. Okay. I used to use Dropbox when I was in college. I haven't used it since, but I guess they're probably still hanging on strong. eToro. Oh, okay. Forgot that that's like a international app. That's cool. I've never used that one, but I've heard it's pretty good. Glacier Dabs Purple Rain. Jesus. Oh, man. How are you conscious right now? Sounds strong. dad. Oh, I missed what Gomp Postal said. My dad got into AMC as well. He didn't understand what the fuck at first, but he got in. That's awesome. That's funny. You should buy him some Dogecoin, GP. He'd be even more confused. The hell is this? I hope everyone here gets it earlier. Yeah, hope we're all millionaires in 5 years. Would be the plan. Best case scenario. Noah B, destruction of the live stream. Am I missing stuff still, or is that just coming in late? I don't want to miss stuff. Hey, River Bear. What's up? I appreciate that, dude. Super fucking cool, bro. Doing great. Doge to the moon. That's right. We gotta get this, we get Bitcoin back over 59 here. Litecoin's actually pumping pretty good. I don't know who else is in Litecoin in here besides me, but I'm liking what I'm seeing from Litecoin. It'll pump even harder once we can get Bitcoin over this 59.60 level. We got Doge trying to fight for 23, Ethereum at 43.6, 43.61. Sheeb is at it's at a bunch of zeros, 4606. AVAX still at 131. That's moving. Catch up here in the chat. Yeah, thank you for that, River Bear. Appreciate that. I'm working on being able to. I know Matt's Market's doing his best to help out with like the sounds for the super chats and all that stuff. But yeah, we're gonna work things out. It's my trial run on the mic tonight, so I'm doing my best. Lindsay Lynn's in the house. What's up? The Green Hearts. How you doing tonight? Lindsay Lynn's been killing it with those thumbnails. I like that work you've been doing. Some fire thumbnails. Let's go Volta, Roblox stock. Nice. Yeah, I remember you shouting out that Volta. It's a good one. Roblox been killing it. Plug. Those are all good ones. Been on fire. Just dropped in to say what's up. See y'all soon. Well, thank you, River Bear. Hope you're having a good night. Almost 4K AMC stock here. Nice, very nice. Wonder what everyone's different exit strategies are for AMC, because I know everyone has vastly different exit strategies. I think mine's pretty conservative compared to most. So I have my 24K Shiba. Whoa, okay. How are you doing that? I missed something. Are your dabs mining Shiba for you? Some strong dabs. Tom Poster needs to retire soon. Yeah, he does. Happy birthday, Gone Postal. I forgot. My bad. Hope you're having a great birthday today. Mrs. Bulldog, aka Lindsay Lynn's in the house. Oh, River Bear's on vacation? Hope you're having a great vacation. Matt M wants a vacation. Keep killing it with those call options. You'll be on your way. I appreciate it, Robertine. Appreciate your help here. Noah with the super chat. Thank you, Noah. Appreciate that. Thank you, Lindsay. Thank you. Appreciate that. Anyone just come in? Yeah. Oh yeah. What do we get? Destroy that likes to 50. Getting close. All right. Killing it. Smash that like button if you're in here. And yeah, if anyone is new in here, hit the like, join the Discord. It's free. Everything in there is free. So you just like to share, you know, different stocks, different cryptos. Just try and help each other out with the hot plays. ATNF as support too. I've never heard of that one. I'll have to look at that one. ATNF. I can't. Yeah, I know. It only lets me smash the like button once. It's weird. Come on, let me like it again. Coin called DAR is up, but only can find it on Binance. Damn it. Everyone's wishing Gone Postal happy birthday now. It's still funny. It happens every day, but it's still funny. Yes. Is anyone in the chat? I know we had a pretty good dip this past week, but is bounce this weekend? I think we're all done with the dips. At least I am. I'm ready for some. I want to make some big gains. But what are you guys looking at? You hoping for it to dip more before a big run up, or are you ready to go to the moon? Let me know in the chat after you guys are all done sending those happy birthdays to Gone Postal. Someone is getting Discord DMs and I can hear the beep. Is it me? I hope it's not me. Let me check my Discord here. I'm a Discord noob, so I don't think it's me. Yeah, I'm with you, Rick. I'm done with the dip. Let's make some profits. And like, I don't know if you were in here a few minutes ago, Rick, if you were still in here, but I was saying, or you were saying like last week or something, when everything started dropping, how I think you said something along the lines of, this reminds me of we need to take profits. So I'm with you on that. Oh, that's been my my biggest weakness as an investor is taking profits. I need to get better at that. But I have gotten better at it, but I still need to get even more better at it. I just wait for 2025. See what happens. Yeah, Roscoe's got them diamond hands. He's cold-blooded. He doesn't care. Pump weekend coming. I think so too. I think the title for this, the title for this video, Bitcoin 2017 repeat. If you go and look at the charts for 2017 and now, they are super similar. So we could be going for a moonshot any day now, any week now. Let me make sure I'm staying up with the chat here. Keeping up with the chat, I mean. OMG, and Discord. Better. Oh, Robert Dean, is that you? I don't know. Gone Postal doesn't hear the beeps, so that's good. It feels like it's not me. As long as I'm not doing something to make beeps happen, I'm good. I hope they go away for whoever is hearing them. Roscoe with that's supposed to be a cow money. I don't know what you're going for with that one, Roscoe. You lost me. Cow money. Bull? Is that a bull? Keller C going to the moon. That's right. I bought some ADA, figured it was time. I think so too. I mean, if you just look at the price, I mean, I could be totally wrong, but yeah, ADA seems like it's oversold. I haven't even looked at the chart on it, but just looking at the price. And yeah, exactly. Sorry I even brought it up. My bad. I don't want to talk about this. I just want to No more buying dips. Let's make some gains here. Dip is for Sunday with a Tito's. Oh, sorry, I missed Noah's question. Clown Baby, what is your biggest play right now? For stocks, it's AMC, and then I'll just give you my top three. It's AMC, Bitfarms, and Hut. And for crypto, it is Litecoin and Bitcoin, and then Dogecoin. But yeah, my top holding is AMC, and I'm super bullish on Bitfarms and Hut. Sorry, I'm trying to keep up with the chat. You guys are typing a lot. Try to catch up real quick. Nice Shape. I need to buy some more. Oh, okay, yeah. Shape got in that 88 dip. NTVRK. That sounds like a OTC or something, but it could also be crypto. There's just a lot of letters there. I haven't looked at that one. Take profits every all-time high. Yeah, that's a good strategy. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of different strategies, but I like that one too. Do they have birthday cake on the moon? Next squeeze will be Prague. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people in that Prague play. That's one that I'm not in, but yeah, I've been seeing a lot of talk. My brother is here. I got him to subscribe to Matt and Bolt. Awesome. Thank you, Noah. What's up, Noah's brother? Thank you for joining us tonight. Bull money. Okay. That went over my head, Roscoe. I don't know why. Just got you. I didn't even know there was a bull emoji. Where'd that thing come from? At Matt M still myself in 60.66. Which one are you guys talking about? Oh, Prague. Yeah. I've been too busy with the crypto stocks to even bother with some of the other stuff, but yeah. The FTDs in Prague are astronomical. Happy birthday, Postal. Got Bic in at 330, but put a ton in. Oh, we smashed 40 likes. All right, let's keep it going. Robert Dean killing it with the rockets, keeping us up to date on them likes. Thank you, Robert Dean. GP, hope you're having a great birthday. Did you expect AVAX to rise? Honestly, what's up? I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. G-Tove, what's up? First time seeing you in here. Glad to see you in here. What was your question? Yeah, AVAX. I'm actually not in on AVAX. That's one I've heard other people talking about in here. But yeah, that's, to be honest, I just don't know enough about it. But it's hitting all-time highs tonight, so that is great for anyone who did get in on that. But there were other people here in the Discord who shared that play when it was at, I don't even remember what price, but someone shared it with the Discord. So whoever called that out, good job. I have a product. Nice. Why LTC? I'm bullish on LTC on Litecoin because it is a deflationary asset where it's like Bitcoin. There's only going to be so many of them ever made and or mined, and the traditional thought on Litecoin is that if Bitcoin is digital gold, then Litecoin is digital silver, and I think it works really well. It has 4 times faster transaction speeds than Bitcoin. It'll have only ever 84 million ever mined. Has really cheap fees. So I'm super bullish on Litecoin. It has that new deal with Visa, so I think it's just I think it's an undervalued and underappreciated crypto is Litecoin. That's my take on it, at least. Clown baby, crush it. Thank you, Robertine. Let's get 50 now. Let's get it. Like Ronco said it and forget it. Oh, I think you meant Roscoe. I'm assuming. Or you could have meant Ronco, and I just don't know who Ronco is. How is the mining going? ONG. Been here a few minutes. Okay, yeah, it's my first time on the mic, Gito. This is just, yeah, my first time giving it a shot. But yeah, that's cool. You've been here a few nights. I must have just missed you in the chat or something. But that's awesome. How do you join the Discord? If somebody could drop that. Oh, somebody already did. Yeah, just drop that. Click on that, and you can join. It's free. Everything in there is free. It's just, yeah, we share plays, share stocks, cryptos. You know, it's a good time in there. From what I know, there's probably someone in here who can explain it better than me. Litecoin is not similar to Solana. Solana is more of a NFT play, from what I know, but I could be wrong. I'm no expert. I'm just a guy on the internet talking into a microphone, but I have a decent idea of what I'm talking about, but I'm certainly not an expert. But yeah, Litecoin I don't think is similar to Solana. Good, just trying to figure out wallet. AVAX, Twitter, nonstop. It's really crazy. Okay, so AVAX killing it. Yeah, and AVAX actually passed SHIB on the coin market cap on market cap tonight. So it's number 11 and SHIB is 12. So it's right in between Doge and SHIB at 11. And Doge is sitting at 10 for largest market cap in crypto. Yeah, that's cool though for whoever is in AVAX. That's just one I just totally missed the boat on. Like I said earlier, I don't know if you guys heard, but I put most of my money into my Robinhood account, so has limited cryptos on there, and plus a lot of my attention is on the crypto mining stocks at the moment. The link. Oh, okay, yeah, you're just letting them know about it. Yeah, yeah, just hit that link and you should be able to join. Thank you for joining the channel. Good to have you here. What other plays are you in, Gtove? Are you in AVAX, or are you just asking about it? And if you guys don't mind, I've been on here for a little bit, so I'm just gonna take like a 5-minute break, and I will be right back. You guys hang out in the chat, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, I am back. I'll stretch out the legs a little bit there for a minute. Catch back up in the chat. All right, let's see what the see what we got for prices here too. Bitcoin is still not back above that 59 level. All right, so we got Bitcoin at 58.7. The let's see which time frame am I on here? Sorry, I apologize here. Okay, that's the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, still got the 50 moving average under the 200 on the 1 minute. So on the 5 minute, it's heading. It's not looking too good in the short term, but it's really not moving much, so it can turn around quickly. It's not moving up at the moment. All right, let's catch back up in the chat here. What's up, Josh? What's going on tonight? How you doing tonight? Don't see from Polkadot. That's right. Polkadot is better than 96% of coins. Oh yeah, Roscoe, Mass Market, got some competition. That's funny. I appreciate Matt having me on here on the mic tonight. It's been fun. We wrote the code for Ethereum. QI ripping off AVAX. Gavin Wood, CEO, Polkadot. Trias up 85%. What is this crypto? Robert Dean's on that Trias mystery. He's on a detective tonight, getting to the bottom of this. Now I was holding mana short term, but not too many changes. I want to take it out and put it into another coin. You're not like Matt. When Matt walks away, the price goes up. I'm sorry, OMG. I don't have those powers. I'll work on it. Same with XRP. Too many weeks and no changes. Yeah, XRP is just waiting for that that trial to end. So it's probably not going to do much until then. If he doesn't find support, he can drop. Yeah. That's the thing about Sheev is it's just a meme, and I don't know. It could pump again, but that's a risky one to get in for sure. Looking for a new coin that can do good in short term. Well, I mean, my opinion, the market is going to turn around in the short term, so it's doing a little dip tonight. It's been not the best week, but I don't know. I don't want to and can't recommend any coins individually, but I think the overall crypto market is gonna have a strong month of December, in my opinion. I think Plan B was right, but everyone's just mad because the timing was wrong. I think he's still right, inevitably, just the timeline was off. LOL, OMG, you're right. Oh yeah. yeah. Matt says those magic words. I think I'm getting off the mic. All right, guys, I'm gonna hop off the mic, and all of a sudden the green candles start flying in. Wow, Gala 0.43. Are you in that one, OMG? I forget if you already said that, my bad. see. Let's look at this one. Pull it up. Is that what that one is? Gala is a metaverse play. Trade. Search here. What was I was looking again? My short-term memory is terrible. Gala. Whoa, okay, it's flying. Look at that. Wow. How come nobody told me to buy this a week ago? The heck? It's up 374% on the week. It's up 46% today. Very nice, OMG. What price did you get in on that? Did you get it last week or something? My God, killing it. You did. At any point, Sheep could go through a third phase boom. Yeah, the thing about Sheep that has me I don't personally like it is it's like 71% is owned by 10 different wallets, or 74% or something. It's just insane. But everyone who's in it, I wish them the best. But that's just one of the reasons I don't personally like it. But doesn't mean anything. I could be totally wrong. Needs to find support, or yeah. It's actually, look at the Sheep chart. Let's zoom out a little bit. So on the day chart, they didn't even have a 200 on that. So click the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart for Sheep, there's actually a death cross that just started, but it's the 4 hour, so it's not in TA anyway, so it doesn't mean everything. But yeah, there is a death cross that just started on the 4 hour for Sheep. It's the 50-day. That means is a 50-day moving average is crossing below the 200-day moving average. Hi, this is Pantry. I lost my account. Oh, okay. What's up, Pantry? This is actually Clown Baby on the mic tonight. It's my first run, and yeah, it's Matt's Market. It's giving me a go at it. So hope you're liking having me on the mic for a change. Doing my best up here, but good to have you in here, Pantry. And unless you're just kidding. Like Don Postal, just kidding. 0.13. Oh, okay. So you got in super cheap. Very nice. Do you have a price target for that, OMG, or just going along for the ride? Matt's Market is enjoying the show. Well, thank you for having me on here tonight, Matt. It's too bad couldn't get a crypto pump going when I'm on here. Nothing much has happened. AVAX, besides that, AVAX hitting a new all-time high. It's pretty good. Just hit 134. I don't know if it had done that before, but yeah, AVAX is still strong. Seems like a lot of the altcoins, some of the lesser-known altcoins are doing well tonight. Like if I look at top movers here on Coinbase, Gala is number 1. Poly, not Matic, not Polygon, but a different one. Poly is up. Polymath is up 20%. Actually has like a nice little bull flag too forming on Poly. I lost my mod account. Oh, that sucks. The last 2 months CP trading mentioned by. Okay, so Crypto Profit's been all over that. Good call. Good shout out by him. Any thoughts on SPY? Man, thank you, man. Thoughts on SPY? Yeah, I mean, I can give you my quick thoughts on that. It's as far as I know, it was at all-time highs last week, or it closed at all-time highs Friday or something. So, or no, it didn't close at all-time highs Friday, but I'm pretty sure it did hit all-time highs last week. Let's look. But yeah, it's I think it's gonna cool off a little bit at some point. It has to, but let's see what the pull this up here. Are you holding? Who was that? Who asked that? Pantry or JK? Are you holding any SPY? Is that anything you have, or are you just asking because it shows the general market? For anyone who is wondering, who is unfamiliar, the SPY is the ETF that tracks the S&P 500. All right, let's see. Well, the 4-hour still looks really good on that. Click the daily. Yeah, I don't know. The market's probably just gonna keep pumping. They printed all that stimulus money. It'll probably keep pumping for a while, and I don't know. I'm not smart enough to predict when that's gonna end. If I was, I'd be rich. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I gave you a good take on SPY there, but I guess in the end, I think it's gonna keep pumping. It could pull back in the short term, though. Thank you, both you guys, Matt M and Rick Cogswell. Appreciate that. I set stop loss at 0.38. It's close to all-time high, so if you have not got in, I don't know. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's not something I would be chasing right now. You're already up with massive gains. It's run up a lot, so yeah, good strategy there. Good luck to you with that. Hope it keeps going up. OMG. Hey Matt, just wanted to let you know I lost my account. Pantry catching. Okay. Well, thank you for coming back, JK. You want me to call you Pantry, or do you want me to call you JK? Which one do you want? I can try to remember to call you Pantry. I'm in on ADA for the first time. CIC3. Yeah. Didn't it already hit $3 before? Or it was super close? I'm pretty sure it was already hit 3 a while back. I know that's why it seems like it's oversold to me when I see 188 or whatever it's at. I have contracts expiring 12/6, 477 for, oh, okay. 12/7. Ooh. That's getting close. 477. Let's look at this thing. The all-time high. I'm guessing that's it right there. 470.94. Let's do the math here. What would you have to get for returns? What's the percentage? 468. Sorry, I'm just trying to do some quick math here for our friend Pantry. Trying to get those calls in the money. What did you say? 477. Okay, so you don't need too much of a gain here. I don't know. I think you could be good with that. But I don't know. I wish you luck with that one. Still got time for sure. What is it? What's the date? You still got like 2.5 weeks or something. So yeah, that'll probably be good. When did you buy those calls? Was it recently, or have you had them for a while? If next month inflation goes up, you're ready for a dump on. Yeah, for sure. Especially QQQ. And the Russell 2K, all those stocks get crushed. I'm waiting for SCMX to pop. It's about too soon. Long-term play. chat dire. Let's call it. Okay, yeah. Is that you earlier who's talking about that one? I've been on for a little bit now, so I can't remember. I think it was you brought that up earlier too. STMX. Mass Market, awesome, man. Glad to see you in the chat. Make sure you hit the bell. So you, okay, yeah. If you're on your new oh, you changed your name. Okay, there we go. Pantry, the pantry. Yeah, cool. 42 likes. That's what's up. Thank you, Robert Dean, for the update. 310 was okay. Yeah, I knew it was somewhere around there. I thought it had gone over 3. Oh yeah, it will. It's just taking its time. Yeah, it'll pump. Oh yeah, you bought it recently. December 10th, get out. Well, I have some December 17th calls for Hut and Bit Farms, so hopefully I can get out of those before then. Hopefully make some big money on those. Yeah, so let's see. And really just not much movement since I've been on here tonight. Bitcoin 58.7. If we could get a good pump going, I mean, make things a little bit more fun. It's always more fun when we got some green candles. BTC trapping shorts. I hope so. Burn them shorts. Litecoin's actually holding up pretty good too, considering Bitcoin hasn't been too great. It's hanging out at 224. I mean, Litecoin did sell off a ton from when it hit, what, 294, 295 last week or whatever. So, but at least it stopped dropping. Disco puts 53. I've never messed with puts. I don't know. And I haven't really looked at Cisco too much. We can pull them up though. Let's see, Cisco. It's at 53.45. Is that close at 53.25 after hours? 53.45. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know too much about Cisco. I know that's like one of those .com bubble plays that actually survived. It's about as much as I know about Cisco. It's crazy how I guess Cisco until recently had not passed that all-time high that it hit back in like 2000. Pretty wild. That .com bubble in the early 2000s. Inflation data on the 10th. Get out of tech and crypto. So you think crypto is gonna drop after the 10th? Not just tech? You think the crypto market will take a hit because of that? I don't know. Personally, I would think that crypto would... Oh, never mind. I'm reading that wrong. Inflation data on the 10th. Get out of tech in crypto. So you're saying get into crypto. Am I reading that right now? Because I think that's what I would assume. Because Bitcoin is deflationary. I'm guessing that's what you're saying. I'm heavy into ADA. I was buying it. Yeah, I think I remember you saying that before, OMG. That's killing it with that one. What's it at? You're up 10x still. Solid gains. Amazing. OMG with those OMG gains. Sorry, I was just typing something real quick. Alright, back to this here. let's do it. We haven't really done this tonight. Let's see what Hut closed at on Friday. Anyone in here holding Hut or Bit Farms, or I know Matt M's got Mara. Anyone in Riot, or you guys in any of those crypto mining stocks? I am personally holding Bit Farms, Hut, BTBT. I have January call for Canaan, CAN. They manufacture miners, and I'm looking to get into CLSK. So I'm super bullish on the mining stocks. But yeah, Hut closed at $13.69 on Friday. Not bad, trying to get back over that $14 mark. 50 cents. Yeah, that's a great one. That's why I say join the Discord. Exactly, yeah. People shouting out great plays in there. Apple calls, whoever got them. Yeah, Roscoe. I don't know if Roscoe is still in here, but he does really well making money on Apple calls. He'll buy them when Apple's on a dip, and then sell them when they rip. So yeah, Apple's a good one for calls. All right, Rick's and Hut, nice. Did you get in that because of OMG's shout out? I know OMG shouted that out. This was before I was a part of the community here, but I know Matt has said that before, so. Hut is my videos. Yeah, great call. Great call, OMG. Hut, yeah, so, yeah, Hut, gang. Yep, I have, yeah, my Hut calls are for $15 strike price on December 17th. It was $16 like a week ago or something, so I think I'll be good. See how it goes. And then, yeah, I actually have a few shares of Riot as well, but that's on my Cash App. It's just like a couple shares. My main portfolio is my Robinhood still.
My dude, Clown Baby, what is happening, man?
Not much. Just been hanging out in here. Hope you enjoyed listening for once.
I did, man. 100% man. I think you absolutely killed it tonight, dude. I sat back, I got to chill and enjoy the show, man. And you know, it was really a good time, man. I absolutely, greatly freaking appreciate it, man. More than you ever know.
Oh, that's cool. And appreciate you having me on. I'm glad I did a good enough job.
Nah, man, you absolutely killed it, in my opinion. Like, dude.
All right, cool.
For your first time ever on the mic, man, absolutely fucking 100% natural, man. I really enjoyed the show.
Well, I appreciate that. Yeah, and I think, honestly, I think it'll be a little bit easier when there's like stocks and stuff going on too. It's tough when there's not really much going on, but at least people in the chat, you guys were all really cool in the chat too, helping me out. It's easier to keep talking when everybody's busy in the chat.
Yeah, the chat, that's what I'm saying, man. The community aspect of everything just makes it that much easier, man. Like I'm saying, without y'all, I'd come on every night and just sit here and talk to myself. So the chat is the most important part of this whole thing, man. That's why we do it. We try to find great plays for everybody, and we all just try to make tendies together, man. And you know, I appreciate each and every one of y'all that tune in every night to the show. We are trying to expand over here. That's partial why we have Mr. Clown Baby hosting the show tonight for a little while. So I'm super excited to see what the future holds, man. We're gonna continue trying to grow over here and continue to try to make tendies over here.
Yeah, it was definitely a different experience, but it was fun being on here. Would have been more fun if get some pump going. Nothing really happened.
Oh yeah, hang on.
Green candles.
Hang on to your seat, man. You're gonna have a night where everything's pumping, and those are the funnest nights, man. They really are. Some of my funnest nights were in the beginning, man, when Dogecoin was ripping to 74 cents, man. That was, you know, Good stuff to report on, man. And we'll get back there eventually. Tonight's been pretty more, a little bit more red than what we like to see, but you know, it's gonna start bouncing back here shortly, man. I'm very
fun
optimistic.
To do stocks too, like if I'm on a day where AMC's ripping or GME, you know, they're both ripping, that'd be fun.
Yeah, GME did its thing on Friday, man. Let's see where it closed at.
I'm not in GME, but I still watch it.
GameStop closed at 229 aftermarket hour, so did have a fun little day on GameStop, man. Up 8%, so did do its thing.
Nice, yeah. Cool, yeah, and they not always, but for the most part, those meme stocks will move together.
Yep, can't wait, dude. Monday, let's see where AMC closed real quick. If I can ever type it correctly. AMC closed at 41 bucks. That's where I like it, above 40, man. Probably gonna head back up to that 42 range. I'm thinking come first thing Monday. So
OMG says, "What is your worst night, SNL?"
OMG was there for that, man. You know, right when Elon came on, it started running 74 cents, and you know, then it started to crash right after that. And dude, it got so bad, like it started hitting like 58 cents, and then I put a buy order in, and that's when everything shut down. All the platforms shut down. No one could buy anything. Robinhood went blank. My money disappeared from my account. I'm like, what the hell's happening? Like, I thought it was like just, so when everything came back, of course, Robinhood triggered my order at like 70, I think it was 62 to 58. Part of it triggered at 62, and then the other part triggered at 58, and it ended up being in the low 50 range. So, you know, I'm still holding that bag, man, but I was just trying to support the cause, get us to $1, man. You know, hindsight 2020. I'll gladly hold that bag.
Brutal. That was brutal that night. I remember I was doing the same thing. I had my phone out. I'm looking at the chart. I'm like, oh man, this thing is like, because it started going up when he stepped on the stage. So it was like, oh man, this thing's gonna go to $1 right now. But then quickly, it just went the other way.
Yeah, I was thinking it too, man. I really was.
I just made that nervous. I was like, I'm just talking to people on the internet, talking to some crypto friends.
That's it, man. That's what it's about, man. So I look forward to having you back on, man. And you know, dude, I can't tell you how much I appreciate it, man. And
yeah, thanks for having me. Yeah, I'd like to go on again if that's cool. I'd like to do the Monday or something, or sometime during the stocks.
Yep.
Cool.
If you'll tell you what, if you'll be up for a little while, I'm gonna rock probably for about 20 more minutes. Get a little hype going in here, because we got an AVAX smashing some brand new all-time highs. I want to talk about that for a little bit. I'll look to give you a shout right after we finish up with the live stream, my man. Cool.
Sounds good.
But everybody, let's give it up for Clown Baby, guys. We got 20 people in here. Let's show Clown Baby some love. Thank you, man. Once again, I can't tell you, man. I really appreciate it. So,
yeah, thanks for having me on.
Anytime, my man.
And yeah, we got a new member tonight. You got Fleming, all the way from Denmark. I think he joined the Discord too.
Yeah, we got Mr. RK. What's happening, RK? Let me know if you're still in here, my man.
RK. For some reason, I thought RK had been in here before.
I don't think so. I'm starting to lose track, man. It's getting tough to. The hardest part for me is keeping track between Discord and YouTube names. Like, I get totally lost. I get all messed up. So,
yeah, that's why I kept my Discord and YouTube name the same.
Yeah, it makes it simple, man. Because dude, I used to have good memory, but you know, it's not. When you talking to 100 people, it starts to get a little.
I was getting a little bit mixed up on like who said what. I'd be like, oh, so who did OMG say this? Oh no, that was I don't know, someone else. That was the Shape who said that or something. It's
yeah.
I get mixed up.
You get to see it from the other end, man. It's you know, when the chat's flying and you're answering, you know, 100 questions, you know, you can forget something really quick, man. So, you know, it's definitely definitely a little learning curve, but man, it gets easier and easier, man. The first time getting out the way, that's the hardest part, man. And I think you absolutely killed it tonight, man. I think you did a great job, dude.
Yeah, got nice and hydrated before I came on, so my voice didn't die on me.
Hey, that's why I always keep this big ass cup right next to me, man. I got my water. I got some you know, adult beverage to sip on, and I just chill out, man, and
I talked
interact
to you
with
on
the crowd, man.
Yeah, when I talked to you on the phone earlier, I had just done a dab like a minute or two before, so like I was like losing my voice trying to talk to you. I'm like, oh, I hope he doesn't think I'm gonna sound like this on the mic later.
Nah, it's all good, man. Nothing but love, dude. Nothing but freaking love.
But yeah, it was fun. It actually went by pretty quick. I was like, wow, I've already been on here for like 2 hours or something.
I'm telling you, man, some nights I come on, dude, and it feels like it's been 30 minutes, and I look up, it's like, oh shit, I've been on here for 2 hours. Like, I need to go stand up for a few minutes and get something to drink, man, because
that's what happened to me. Yeah, it was like 2 hours before I even moved. I stood up. I was like, oh, I waited too long.
Hell yeah. Well, dude, nothing but love, man. You're more than welcome anytime, and dude, I greatly freaking appreciate Lucky Boy Roscoe Studios. That dude's showing you some love.
My dude Roscoe, I'm using BTC. I got BTC mining stock. That's right. Appreciate that, Roscoe. Bit farms to the moon.
The Litecoin Maxi, ladies and gentlemen. The Litecoin Maxi. So.
Yeah, not too much happened when I was on, but I was hoping we'd get that break above 59, but yeah, I'm looking at the 5-minute chart on Bitcoin right now, and it shows like the 14 trying to hook up a little bit, but then the 50 is actually coming down. So
which one are you looking at?
On the 5-minute chart for Bitcoin.
Got it right here. Yeah, 50's coming down. We'll have to watch it, man. Look, what it's kind of looking like for me, we might end up off the 5-minute getting a little small, teeny tiny death cross here, maybe, if we don't start pumping here shortly.
Yeah. But on the 30-minute, there's a golden cross incoming for Bitcoin. If that can.
Yep. I'm checking it out right now. It just happened, dude. Just got confirmed. So hopefully it starts pumping from here, and you know, start working its way back up to that 59, 60K level. It looked promising earlier today, man. You know, when everything was rocking, but I think we hit bottom, man. I really do. That 55, 650, I think that was bottom for right now. We just need to keep working our way back up.
And the RSI on the daily charts pretty low. It's set up to run up really high. It's at 43 right now, so that thing's ready to run.
Look, OMG said been with the channel since 7 cent Doge. That was the first night I ever streamed, man. It went from 7 to 11 cents. That was a fun night, man. Look at AVAX, dude. AVAX is fucking ripping right here. It's about to have a little breakout. If we can get over this, where is this? 134.68. We just busted it. 134.83. 84. It's about to break some new all-time highs, man.
Are you in that one? What's your average on that one?
$55, my man. One shot GT. Start throwing it around. You know, and most of the time, like, people come in the chats and they're like, hey man, check this out. And like, I've never heard of it before because there's like, what, over 3,000 cryptos. So like, you know, I can't keep up with them all. So, you know, AVAX came to my radar when One Shot started throwing it around. And I started doing more research on it. It's built more and more like Solana. And all the people that pump Solana to $300 are all back in AVAX right now. So I'm still bullish on it, man. Let's see. So, how'd you enjoyed your first little live show, man?
Yeah, I had a good time. It was fun. Definitely want to do it again sometime.
Hey, C2. That dude's coming in hot, showing some love. That dude's always showing some love. Thank you very much, HC2, for that $19.99 Make You Holla super chat, man. Thank you, dude. Always coming up and showing some love, man. HC, if you're just tuning in, as our friend, the Litecoin Maxi Clown Baby, live on the mic. He was hosting the show for us tonight, and absolutely killed it, man. He crushed it. So can't thank you enough, man.
Well, I appreciate that. Matt M really likes that hut. A lot of people here really like that hut.
Yeah, man. We've been OMG brought it up to us. It was $7, man, and it's just been, lights out since then, man. Making tendies off that thing. I looked at it Friday, but I forgot where it closed at. 1369.
Yeah, it was actually like the last thing I looked at before you hopped on the mic.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I was like, you know what we haven't looked at tonight is hut.
Yeah, I like some hut, man. And here goes AVAX again. 135.
Oh, wow, yeah.
It is pumping, dude. Up 7% on the day. 7 freaking percent.
Oh, volume this weekend, I'm not worried. Says Turbo. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I have a feeling about tomorrow it's going to start pumping and then into Monday.
Yeah, usually, that's usually how it goes, man. Weekend will be a little stale. It was looking good earlier today. Saturday night, typical dip. Sunday, usually it starts to pump, leading up into the week, and, can give you some indications that, hey, we might possibly be having a good week this week. So that's what I'm really looking for and hoping for. We see into tomorrow, but it looks like, AVAX is strong right here, man. Bitcoin's in a bit of a downtrend that we can't get out of right here. So on the 1 minute. So I really want to see this thing start to break up to the upside and start getting over that 59 level once again.
Yeah. Yeah, I need to see that thing break above 59 and just hold it. I thought earlier when it was holding above 59.5, I thought it was going to go to 60, but it didn't happen yet.
OMG says, I don't think we're down that bad. Keep in mind, though, options expiry and Taproot update in the same week. Yeah, we had a lot of stuff going on. So, anytime there's uncertainty. Yeah, anytime they have some FUD, man, they're going to hop on any little bit they can. I think I think that 55 was bottom, man. I think we're up from here. And, dude, lots of great prices out there across the board. Yeah, we got a lot of red on the board, but I'm just seeing buys across it, man. And, when you're in this type of situation, I like to dollar cost average in. That's the best way to do it. That way you don't get stuck holding a bag if we don't hit bottom, So that's pretty much what I do personally, because I think that's the best route, man. That way you never get stuck with something, You got $400, throw 200 in or 100 in. Wait a couple days, see what happens. Throw another 100 in. And you can just kind of work your way into your play. That way you can get out cleaner if things go south on you,
Yep. Yeah, it's something I used to. So recently, I wouldn't do, or for like, if I would try to do a swing trade, I'd try to go all in. But then it would backfire. Yeah, it backfires on me. But like, I don't do that with like long-term plays though. So I'm like, why am I doing this? I gotta do that with short-term plays too. Because the way I would look at it is, I'm like, oh well, if this goes up, I'll make a bunch of money. But it's like, yeah, well, I never looked at it the other way. I didn't look at it the other way enough. Like, yeah, well, what if it goes the other way?
What if it goes down, man? What are we supposed to do?
That's why, like, I stopped doing day trades. Like, I'm not good at day trades. Like, I'm much better at sticking with plays that I know and buying into them on dips, seeing how they move, instead of just trying to chase some random runner.
Yeah, because that FOMO is real, man. You'll definitely get hung up. You'll get hung to dry off that FOMO.
I've totally gotten away from that the last couple months and been doing much better with my plays. I don't buy something because I see it having a good day, because I've gotten burned doing that a few times. It's not fun. Ruins your whole day.
I think we all have, man. But we got Thanksgiving coming up. I think a lot of people are gonna be off work, man. A lot of people took the whole week off. They'll be sitting around, bored for the first couple days. I think it's gonna be a good week for crypto, man.
Yeah, I kind of wonder about the market on this week, the stock market, if people are going to be taking profits. The market's actually open on Friday too.
Yep. So we got a little bit of a short week going on. So, could get interesting before Thursday, man. People like to take profits on Friday. So,
yeah, that's what I was kind of wondering. I'm like, are people going to sell? Is it going to be a big sell-off on Wednesday? Like, I don't know. So, be interesting to see.
Well, I'll tell you one thing for sure. We will be here reporting on it, man. Be getting the news out to everybody.
Yeah, a lot of my stocks aren't even really part of the regular stock market anyways, because they're crypto plays. The stock market can be red, but if Bitcoin's up, my stock plays will probably be up, or my crypto plays, I mean.
Yeah, man. I'm big on them crypto mining stocks too, man. It's just, why not play them? If Bitcoin runs 4,000 over the weekend, why wouldn't you buy Hut 8 mining on Monday? Like, it's just like no brainer. It's gonna run. It's almost nothing's guaranteed in life, but you'd almost guarantee you'll get at least 5% out of that thing if you have a good run on Bitcoin over the weekend.
Yeah, it's kind of like the way I look at buying mining stocks is it's almost kind of like buying like an altcoin, like it's gonna run when Bitcoin runs.
Yeah, that's a good way to look at it, man. Good way to look at it. Being directly tied to it. Yeah, I mean, it's a no-brainer for me.
Yep. Yeah, and that one I was talking about the other night, Clean Spark, that's one I'm looking to get into. They've been buying a ton of miners, and they're located in the US, so they're going to be a big part of the mining community.
Yeah, man.
And,
you definitely got to pay attention to any mining companies that are loading up on miners, man, because they're for real about it, man. And if the price is cheap enough, like I like what attracted me to Hut. Yeah, OMG dropped it to us, but the price was so cheap, man. It was like $6-7, and I'm looking at Riot and Mar. They're both at $50. I'm like, man, I'm gonna hop on some freaking Hut and we'll play it like that, But
that's what got me into Bitfarms and Hut. I was like, these are cheaper and they look like they got more room to run right now, so that's why I got into them.
Hey, but I give it to you, man. Seeing you in the chat for the past couple of weeks, you were definitely, every night we were checking BITF, dude, and you held true to that trade, man, and it paid off well for you, man. I'm really happy for you.
Yeah, I was in the red. I was deep in the red on that one for a little bit.
Yeah, that's like when I bought AMC, man. I was in the red for a little while, and I was like, for a long time, and then I averaged down because I caught that first rip back in January. That's what got me into YouTube, streaming and stuff. But I sat in the red for a while, and that paid off for me. So it ain't always bad to sit in the red, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, well, it's easier when you have that conviction. Like I was like, I know Bitfarms is a good company. It's just they're down right now because of this offering they did. Like I bought into them, and then they announced an offering that was going to dilute the shares after I got into them. So I was like, all right, as soon as this FUD is cleared up, then this thing's gonna boom.
Dude, AVAX is smashing it, dude. 135.87, 135.99. It's about to hit 136 right here. Wow. 136.03. I'm gonna hold off on this line. Bitcoin's actually pumping too right here off the 1 minute. Just pumped over 58.824, that level of resistance.
Let's go.
Dude, we're starting to get some pumping into the markets right here late on a Saturday night. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this at 136. And here goes Bitcoin again. Probably gonna head for that 200 MA off that 1 minute at 58.915 and get rejected. But AVAX, here goes again, 136.42. Dude, 46, 48,
That's
51. Oh my
That's
God,
gonna
dude.
be. Yeah, it's gonna be 150 tomorrow.
It is looking like it, man. Dude, it just doesn't stop, man. There's no end in sight. There's no freaking end in sight for AVAX, man.
Nice. I'm watching Bitcoin. I'm watching Bitcoin on the 1 minute, trying to break us 200 moving average. 58,939. That looks. Oh, it's trying.
Dude, it is trying to bust that 200 moving average, man. It'll probably get rejected there, though. It had a pretty nice little rip right here. But I don't know if you noticed this, but doing like simple TA when I do it, I always go back because everything always goes back to retest that technical breakout level. So I had 58,825 here for a while, and we just got a solid break through that level of resistance. So now we're coming back down. I typically I'll go to the 5-minute chart and I look for a 5-minute candle to open and close over a support and resistance. That signifies to me that you have a true trend change. But the 1-minute chart's good to look at too, just for microscopic price action.
Yeah.
But,
yeah, I try not to look at the 1 minute too much, but I mean, I look at it just to see what's going on in the short term. But yeah, you stare at that one too long, you can have a wrong impression of what's going on.
Bulldog said, "Matt, oh snap, this dude's still alive, going hard in the motherfucking paint." Hey, dude, gotta get it, man. Gotta get it, bro. Yeah, the whales are fighting over AVAX, man. 136.53 was the high. Definitely heading for 140, man. Definitely heading for 140. Who's snores on the mic is in the house. Who's snoring on the mic?
Who snores on the mic?
I don't know.
I've never heard you snore on the mic.
I will never snore on the mic.
I have
if I
a friend
snore on the
who,
mic, we partied way too hard. I promise you that. Somebody probably went to jail if I snore on the mic.
Yeah. I play Xbox with my friends sometimes, and one time, it's actually more than once, I have a friend who's fallen asleep like 2 or 3 times in the Xbox party. We can all hear him just start snoring on the mic.
Yeah.
Pretty
HC2, thoughts on XMR and UK. Let's check it out, man. Let's see what we're rocking with. XMR. Let's see what we're looking at right here, man. Let's look at some Monero. 245.15, up 91.42% on the year. On the day, it's down a little bit. Let's check it out. 1 hour, 1 week. In a bit of a downtrend, my man. 238. I like it where it's at, man. I think it bounces from there and continues up. It's pretty much trading a little sideways. Just be careful with it, man. I don't know if you have some. If you do, let me know in the chat what price target you actually got in on it. But yeah, long term, dude, I'm bullish on Monero. Definitely. It looks pretty good off the chart. You did have a pretty good spike here back in May, up to $517. And if Bitcoin does what we think it's going to do the rest of the year, Monero could definitely benefit from that 100%. Even year to date, you're up 100% off of it. You might be able to find some better movers. I think those expensive price tags of 245 kind of draw away the retail investors. Just my opinion. My opinion is not always correct, but I like it, man. Long-term hold, definitely. Definitely like it. Let's see. He had one more and UK. Let's check out UK real quick for him. UK crypto. Let me see. I don't think I ever heard of this UK, man. Let me see.
Bulldog snored on the mic before? I missed that one.
Guilty of snoring on the mic in the day too. That's what happened when you go hard. Dude, HC2, dude, I like Monero. I would hold it long term. Definitely, man. If you got in at a good price. Turbo says, I'm looking at mana off the 4-hour chart. When the price hits 50 MA or close, I'm gonna jump in. Hell yeah, man. I'm still looking for mana. I hold a good bit of mana, but I'm looking to hop back in around 370 to 350-ish. So we'll see. Oh, Kraken to delist it. I'd be a little bit more bearish about it then. Like I'm saying, man. What's that, Clown Baby?
What are they? What is Kraken delisting? I missed that.
I think he's talking about Monero.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, if they would delist it, I'd be more bearish on it in the short term, 100%.
Yeah, RK was talking about STMX earlier.
Check it out, man. STMX, StormX. Always hear people talking about this. It is up 5% off the day, all time. Did have a good pump right when it first came out, up to looks like 21 cents. Did have a good pump back in April of this year when the rest of crypto was going crazy. Past 7 days, you've been on a bit of uptrend. It just has really good peaks and then it falls out. So like to me, right here, I'd be, maybe taking some tendies. I'd have probably looked to take some tendies when it started hitting that high 3-cent range. But it definitely has some good valleys in between. So when you do have these spikes, you might get one more spike out this run it's on right now. And if you wouldn't, I would look to hop back in around 2 cents. It's a pretty solid trade between 2 and 3 right now, from what I'm seeing on the technical side of the charts. Oh, he's saying XMR. Yes. Okay. I got you, man.
Bulldog says XMR is the most utilized crypto for goods and services on the planet by a long shot. People need it to do business.
Yeah, I just never got into Monero for the price, simply the price. To me, I think I can make, it'll probably run back to $500, but to me, I can, I think I could, me personally, like I'd rather buy XRP right here at 108. I think XRP is gonna really start to do some amazing stuff. I look for the, dude, I'm a bargain shopper, man. I look for the cheaper crypto prices. That's just what I do. Besides Ethereum, I'll load up Ethereum, Litecoin, and a couple other ones. But like when Litecoin starts getting, $400 or $500, I'm not gonna be able to load up as much Litecoin as I want, man. Just the way it is, man. And it strays away the retail investors a little bit, in my opinion. Especially someone hopping into the market for the first time, they're like, man, I got to drop 4,000 to get one Ethereum, So,
yeah.
It tends to stray some people away, especially early investors.
I think that's the appeal of stuff like Doge and Cheap is like I can get a lot of them.
Dash is a fake privacy token. They're looking to move away from their privacy roots. I never messed with Dash either, man. OMG, you have some Dash? Let me know.
Yeah, I've heard of Dash. That's the extent of my Dash knowledge.
Dude, I'm telling you, dude, there's like over 3,000 cryptos. It's really, really tough to keep track of them all. Especially when you got AVAX trying to break another all-time high here again. Bitcoin coming off a bull flag off the 1 minute, looking beautiful.
Yeah, there's like 1,000 Inu coins now.
Yeah, every day. We need a Bulldog Inu.
A Bulldog, Mars, Floki.
Everybody just tuning in. That's the link to Bulldog Trading Channel. Y'all make sure to check him out, man. Awesome channel over there. Awesome freaking channel. Do you think ZEC or BTT is a better option? I like that ZEC, man. It has been doing its thing. Let me see where it's at today. But when you asked about it the other night, and we said the charts look good on it. Zcash was doing its thing. It is down a little bit after that pump up, so let's see where it might be heading. I think you can consolidate within that range for a little bit where you're at, but it does have valleys with it too, so I'd be careful with it. You do have really strong support around 150, and you're sitting at 180, so you do have some tops around 175, 170. Depending on where you got in at, 175 to 170, you know, you have pretty strong support if you would see a little bit dip to the downside. But as of right now, you know, 200 is the level I would be looking forward to maybe get some rejection. I think you can go a little bit higher right where you're at. It hit 188 today. You're at 182. So we'll see what happens with it tomorrow. So
5 likes away from 50.
Hey, 5 likes away from 50. Make sure to smash that like button for Mr. Clown Baby and Matt's Market over here, man. We'd greatly appreciate it. Link Pass asks, he wants to know, are we mooning yet? No, we're not mooning yet, but it is starting, my man. Mentity Squared, good time to buy XRP. Anytime XRP is under 115, my man, in my opinion, me personally, that is an awesome time to buy XRP. Load the freaking boat off of it, man. When this lawsuit comes up, XRP is going to fly.
We're not mooning it. We're refueling the rockets.
That's it, man. You know, this dip was not that bad, man. I mean, yeah, it went for 55 from 69. You know, but that's what Bitcoin does, man. Like, it can have really big price swings. But in the gist of things, I mean, you go to the 4-hour chart, and I know I got my chart kind of clogged up. But when in doubt, zoom out. We came a long way. We found support. Let's hopefully we can start bouncing back above 60K. That's when I'll be super bullish back on the market. But we'll see what happens, man. Plan B is kind of moving their predictions back to December. So we'll see, man. But there's other plays in the meantime, like AVAX, you know. I mean, dude, $55, dude. I can't believe it. Like, we kept preaching it on the stream, and this thing just blew up. And, you know, we call it great plays, man. Solana, we called it $67. I was telling everybody, hey, man, you might want to hop in. Lots of talks. Like, I go through lots of spaces, lots of chats. Everybody was talking about Solana. Now I go through the same chats. People are pumping up AVAX. It's just a repeating cycle right here, man. So it's next one's DOT, dude. DOT. Do not sleep on Polkadot. Polkadot will move, and I do see it over $100 this year, man. Let's see. We got a super chat coming in. HC2. That dude is smashing the freaking live stream, dude. Dropping that 50 bomb, dude. Dude, hell yeah. Thank you very much, HC2, man. The love is much appreciated, man. Hopefully you're making tendies out there, man, to be dropping 50 bombs. But dude, much appreciated, man.
I don't think I've typed this into the chat all night. I might have. Actually, I don't remember now, but I'm typing it now.
Turbo Fireman says, I heard more than one big crypto YouTuber talk about Wolverine Inu. Anyone see this one? Someone brought it to my attention. Me personally, Turbo, I'm going to stay away from all the Matt's Market Inu and all that stuff like that. It's just, you could probably make money off of it. I'm not saying you can't. It's just, I think
I just YOLO'd Matt's Market Inu.
That's what I'm saying, man. Like, I would have to stay away from them, me personally. That's just what I do, man. You know, I'll go off a limb sometimes. Like, I bought Safe Moon, that treated me well. But at the same time I bought Safe Moon, I could have been buying Shiba. So, you know, you never know, man. It's hit or miss. Just gotta be careful.
Yeah. Total
yo, Matt.
destruction.
Hope you're doing better. I am, man. Thank you, Pratham. Yeah, I was feeling a little bad yesterday, but I'm feeling pretty good right now. Yeah, OMG saying don't forget about BAT. Clown Baby, did you look into BAT?
I've seen other people talking about it, but it's not one that I've looked into too much. But yeah, I've seen it. I've seen
that guy
good money in that.
That guy Bear, he was into it early, 70 cents. OMG got in it early too. And man, I need to pick me up some. It's at 108.
Yeah.
You know, I might look to pick me up some bat. But I know Rick's in the chat. He bought some fucking AVAX, man. And, hey Rick, earlier, dude, when we talked about how it bounces off that 200, man, we got AVAX here on the right. Dude, it's been supporting that trend. Let me get here to the 5-minute chart. So it bounces off that 50, dude, rides up that high, but it always comes back to that 200. That was that 200 touch point. If you just saw it right there, that was the buying point right there. I would have loaded the boat right here. I'm good on my play. I'm in at 55. I'm not trying to mess up my average, but if you're watching this off the 5-minute chart, I mean, it's leaving that 50 in the dust, dude. That 50 is having to run to catch up to it. So it will have a pullback eventually to that 150 range before you go to break some more new all-time highs. I do think we'll have to see what happens. It is looking absolutely beautiful, though, right here off the 1 minute, sitting at 136.53. So if we can consolidate, maybe let that 50 catch up and we retest it above that level right here, that'd be more bullish, but we might see a little pullback here shortly. Kind of what I'm thinking with AVAX.
Yeah, it's been the only one really. It's been the only one really moving tonight. Is AVAX. Everything else just been going down or sideways.
Where's Gala at, man? What Gala did?
Yeah, at least on the ones I've been able to watch. Gala's still on the top movers on Coinbase right now.
Yep, 43 cents. You know, we missed the boat. A few people were talking about it. You know, that's what I'm saying, man. People always coming at me and they're like, man, did you see this? Did you see that? I brought it up the other night. And I'm like, fuck, man, he did bring this up, man. I should have bought some. But, you know, that's just how it goes, man. Just how it freaking goes, man.
Yeah.
What's up, Threes Company?
You can't get in every play either. It's hard to do that.
No, it's impossible. It's freaking impossible. Yeah. Here AVAX goes again, dude. It is trying to reload at this top, and man, it is freaking pumping, man. OMG, you hopped in at 62. Hey, congratulations. Congrats. AVAX 70 for me. You're about to hit 100%, Rick. About to hit a freaking 100%, man. Let me make sure I'm not missing any comments right here. Nope, I think I'm all caught up. But so I feel better. I feel a little bit better. Starting to see some green pump in.
Bitcoin's closing in on 59.
Yeah, man, it's starting to rock back up. Here it goes, 58.9, 59,000 break right here off the 1 minute. It's getting a break to the upside off this little 1 minute bull flag we got going. I think AVAX keeps going, man. I think Bitcoin might push AVAX to that 140 if we keep pumping.
Oh yeah, AVAX. Everything just gets more bullish when Bitcoin starts pumping. So that thing's gonna go crazy if Bitcoin starts going.
Yep, 100%. I want Bitcoin to start ripping this weekend. That way I can play some more, buy some more HUT. I'll up my average. Doesn't matter, because I know I'm gonna make it back first thing Monday morning. Hopefully we start seeing above 60K on Bitcoin before Monday morning, man. That'd be the best case scenario.
Yeah, I just want to see HUT back at 15 so I can sell my calls.
Hell yeah, I hear that, man.
Yeah, I'm not down too much. I have 3 of them right now that I bought for $15 strike on December 17th for HUT. I'm down like 20%, so it's not. It could be worse. It's their options. So hopefully they bounce on Monday.
OMG, redeeming that Bitcoin, dude. It's starting to pump right here.
Yeah, holding above 59. Let's go. We gotta get that redeem for cooler, that one I sent you when you get a chance.
Yes, I gotta do an ADA. I gotta do an XRP. I saw a couple comments today. They want some redeems, so the people have spoken. So I need to get my ass to work and make sure I do that.
That Bitcoin redeem's dope, though. I like that.
Yeah, people seem to like it. That's the most one we redeem over here. We also got redeem Doge, a couple of other ones. But Man, this looks pretty decent. Here goes AVAX once again. 136.79, 86, 91. Where we going, baby? 137. Dude, AVAX is just not freaking stopping, man.
I'll name my Rolls Royce AVAX in honor of the rip.
137.08. Look at this thing go, dude.
Trias chart analysis. I need a professional opinion is worth a look. Yeah, but Robert Dean was talking about that one too. Trias.
Yeah, I looked at that last night. Someone brought it up. Guy who brought that shit up to me.
I'm gonna guess it was Robert Dean. That'd be my guess.
Trias is up. Wow, 15% today. 1898. What price did you get in at, Robert? Let me know before I start breaking it down.
That's right. OMG.
Yep, 100%. HC2 throwing in them rockets. You know what time it is, man. AVAX freaking Tindy time right here. 137.08.
TLM rockets. Aliens. Going to outer space with that TLM.
Hey, that TLM, man, if it could make a big run back to that $7 mark where it's sitting at now, dude, I mean, cool. That would be some major returns right there.
All right, Bitcoin, here we go. This is crunch time. You gonna hold up above here?
Waiting for Three's company to tell me what price he got in at so I can kind of give him a better idea.
Litecoin 226. Yeah, Litecoin's just, it wants to rip. It's just it waits for Bitcoin, but it's waiting to make a big move. Gonna hit that.
Oh, you're not in, but you like
time.
it though? Let's see where it's at. Let me check the 7-day on this thing. It is pumping up, but
Robert Dean was doing an unsolved mysteries on Trias tonight. He's like, what is this? Where did it come from?
I like it, but it might have a little pullback here. I mean, I could see you riding it back to 19.4 to 21, but I think it might see a little bit of a pullback. I'll watch it tomorrow. It's definitely going on my watch list, man.
Man, if it's cool with you, I'm gonna sign off. I'm getting pretty hungry. But
oh yeah, most definitely, Clown Baby. Hey, dude, thank you, man.
Really
once again, dude, nothing
here.
but freaking love, dude. Nothing but freaking love, dude. Thank you so much for coming on, man. I think you did an amazing job, and like I said, man, I will definitely be hitting you up, and we'll work something out to where we can maybe cover some stocks and stuff. So, dude, thank you.
Well,
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you for the chance. I appreciate that very much. And yeah, thank you everyone in the chat who tuned in tonight, and thank you for the super chats, and thank you guys for just the conversation and everything. It was a really fun time. But
yep,
yeah,
so
I'd definitely like to do it again sometime.
Everybody show Clown Baby some love for that. Thank you, man. And you know, my phone line is always open, man, if you need me. So make sure you get at me.
All right, I'll talk to you later.
All right, dude. Later, man. Everybody, show Clown Baby some love out here, man. That dude came on here and absolutely killed it for his first ever live stream. Absolutely killed it. So what we got? Going back to retest at 136 probably, where we had that technical breakout level on AVAX. That does not mean it's done. It's probably heading back for that 50. But I'd have to guess. If we can consolidate above this range right here, that'd be the better case scenario. We might drop below it and look to hang out tight to let that 50 come meet us, but that tends to be the trend as of right now. We're having pretty hard run-ups on AVAX, so definitely do think it's going to that 150 range, but pretty steep incline right now as of late, so just be careful. We got Bitcoin 59,042, looking more and more bullish. It looks pretty good, man. Looks pretty freaking good. GTEC adding to my watch list. GETC. Let me see what you got. Jet Protocol. It is where we're at. No, that is not it. I typed it in wrong. Give me 1 second. That's what's pulling up for it, Jet Protocol, but it says GET. Is that what y'all talking about? Oh, it's a stock. I got you. Let me see. Oh, the Greenland. Yeah, I remember this thing. The thing that ripped astronomically on Friday. GTEC. I like it, man. If you get rejected right here at $10 though, I would look to buy in on the lower end of that channel around 870, 860. A break above that, you got low resistance at 1040, but could ultimately set you up for that 1084 retest, possible rejection. So I'll be keeping a close eye on it. It looks good. I definitely do like it. Bitcoin pumping again, 59,104. Dude, it's starting to heat up in the crypto space right here. 137.11 off of AVAX, all-time high. And it is not done yet. It is super freaking bullish. You were expecting the 14 moving average on this rip up. So lots and lots of volume stepping into AVAX right now. So everything looking a lot freaking better, guys. Just hang tight to your trades. I know a lot of other stuff is a little bit red, like Solana, Ethereum's down a little bit, but it's not bad today. Really not a bad red day. You got plenty of green. We're pretty diversified over here, so I feel pretty good about everything. GTEC is a huge infrastructure build play. It's booming. I think it will boom more. Awesome. OMG. I might look to add some to it come Monday morning. Robert Dean says I got that Greenland tech. So guys, be on the lookout for 140 AVAX incoming. I can almost assure you we're going to see some type of pullback from, every time it's been ripping up to a high, it does come back. So just be on the lookout for that. I do think it's heading to that 150 range, but absolutely pumping amazingly right here. So be on the lookout for that. Bitcoin 59.74. We got Doge 2307, Shiba 4652. I missed a comment. Shiba price in the year. I do think it has a chance to shake off a zero. I forgot who asked me that. But it's going to take some time, I think. It's pretty much did what Doge did in the beginning of the year. Had a major run up, got pulled all the way back down. I think it'll take some time to play out. But, if Bitcoin starts heading to the ranges that we're thinking it could head to, it could happen sooner than what I'm thinking. So AVAX probably going to get a retest down here at 136. It needs to cool off. It's probably going to come back down, but look, had a little pump, letting that 50 come back up. Now we might see some selling off. We'll probably go back and retouch that 50 and look to get a bounce before we start heading to that 140 range. So just be aware of it. A dropout for me would be somewhere under 130. I would say 130. The fun's probably over with, so just be careful with it for right there, and be careful with all you plays out there, guys. But yeah, let's hope for greener crypto prices tomorrow. Hopefully Bitcoin smashing 60K. I'm gonna look to shoot out. I got a few things to take care of in the background. I got some redeems to work on. I need to get that done for y'all. Redeem XRP, redeem ADA. few other ones I need to work on. So guys, thank y'all very much. Much love, man. Like, y'all came out, showed support for Clown Baby tonight. That means the world to me. That just shows how tight our little community is. Amazing, man. I can't say enough. So thank y'all very much for always supporting the stream, help keeping the lights on, showing up, keeping the chat going, man. Y'all make it easy for us to come on here and report to y'all about what's going on in the crypto space. OMG says, with the Taproot update, a lot of these coins are going to follow Bitcoin more, in my opinion. Yeah, and we're seeing it more and more right now. AVAX kind of doing its own thing, Gala doing its own thing right here. It's an animal of itself, and you'll get those, you'll always have those runners other than Bitcoin. But you know, as of right now, everything's looking a lot more bullish. I'm feeling pretty dang good about it. So I'm gonna look to head out. I got a few things to do behind the scenes, but guys, once again, thank y'all very much for tuning in to another episode of Mass Market. Hope y'all enjoyed the live stream tonight. Make sure to catch us here tomorrow, 8:30 p.m. Central, and best of luck with your trade. So much love, guys.